Ichie, I don't want any problem. I don't want any problem. Pueda, Biko.
Azuka.
Pueda.
I will not allow you to cut this tree.
Why? Is it your tree? Is your father my father? Is my father your father? Is it your inheritance?
Azuka.
Unkegi?
Your father borrowed money from me.
Okay.
So you must pay me my money before you cut it.
And the 3,000 you bought, my father borrowed from you now has become 3 million.
3 million naira. That is what you will give me.
Now, Pueda.
Ichie.
Pueda.
See, Azuka, who doesn't know you are a troublesome person? Nobody here is not afraid of you.
Yo, Gona, do you think I'm a small boy? I will show you that I'm not a small boy today. And I will deal with you.
Ukobiago, leave my shirt. If you try this nonsense again, I will beat you.
What can you do? In fact, what can you do? Do it now. Do it now. Do you think I'm afraid of you? It's like you don't know me, oh. You don't know me, oh, eh? You don't know me. Go and ask of me in this village. Go and ask of Obiago. Nobody that doesn't know that name. And that is me.
Who doesn't know you? Who doesn't know you are troublesome? If I beat you, you can call your troublesome mother.
Eh? What did you say? You call my mother troublesome.
Let's go, Guna. Leave this small boy.
Only a stranger that I knew in this village know that you and your mother are not troublesome people. Like mother, like son.
You called my mother troublesome. I can see you digging your grave. You don't touch the tail of the lion. Master.
Leave my friend alone. Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. No.
Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone. No. If I don't. Leave my friend alone. Oh, stay out of this one. Stay out of this.
Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave my friend alone.
What's going on? I want to cut it down. What's happening here?
Azuka wants to cut this tree. And I am asking her to pay me my 3 million naira.
Why?
Azuka, don't try to. You will not cut this tree.
Yeah. Is it your tree? Is your father my father?
This is our tree.
Is my father your father?
Azuka, stop it.
Is this your inheritance?
Stop it.
Unkegi?
Stop it.
Okay, man.
Azuka, stop.
This is not the end of this fight. We will fight for 7 days. Anywhere I see her, we will continue this fight from where we stop from today. Anywhere I see her. And if I this guy never see something, no. This guy never see something, no. This guy
Obiago, why are you like this? Don't tell me you're fighting again.
Irina, is it not that good for nothing over pumped Ogona? She will sing. Auntie, just wait now. You hear as usual. I will enter her. I will enter her.
Obiago, have we not warned you to stop fighting? Come.
Madam, you go add 15 naira.
For what? For what now? In fact, I'm not entering this Okada again. Carry this your spoiled Okada and go.
Come on, will you go inside here? Are you the one paying? Come on, climb, John. Get it.
But
If you come from here, then I'll deal with you.
Auntie,
Take.
make
Shut
sure
up,
my head
let's go.
is scatter. My head is scatter.
Get back.
This is
Let's
my
go.
friend, though. This is my friend.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Chief, welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How about Dikeh we get him?
He went out.
You're good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you cleaned the house very well?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you make sure the plumber fixed the taps properly?
Everything is working well.
So everything is working perfectly. Yes, ma'am. What about the kitchen sink?
It's okay too.
All right.
Hey! Hi! Oh! Hi! Papa, you people are the one allowing Azuka to be misbehaving. You see the way Azuka is misbehaving? You people allow her to misbehave. Yes! You see Azuka? Hey, I will deal with her. Azuka will see another side of me. If she is stubborn, she should know that her stubbornness is in primary school. My own is a lecturer in university. She will see.
Wait. No, so you mean Azuka carried that machine to cut me into pieces? Hey! That girl has no fear at all for anybody in this community.
Hey! But you people are the one letting her get away with all her rubbish. You are the ones allowing her to get away with her rubbish. Eh? And she thinks that she is too much. The common Azuka. Can you imagine? Who is Azuka? Small Azuka. Eh? Papa, who is Azuka?
Papa, I think it's better you people report her to the elders, so. Because if not, this thing will continue. Azuka is very strong.
Eh?
Yes.
Report who to the others? Report Azuka
yes,
to the
ma'am.
others. When I'm here. Papa, you people should go see. You see Azuka? Azuka is a small girl to compare to me. What I'm going to do to Azuka in this village? Eh? Yes, we'll hear it and shut down. But I'm going to deal with Azuka. There's no point calling elders for Azuka. I will deal with that. Go, everybody should go and sleep. Leave Azuka's case to me.
I think Ujunwa here has a point. I will think about it thoroughly. But my fear is this girl Azuka, she has no atom of fear for anybody in this community.
But Papa is not in this case. You see this case now? Azuka, yes! She has tampered with the lion. This period, I'm going to deal with Azuka. Eh? I'm going to deal with Azuka. She wanted to use Donwa. Azuka to use Donwa to cut my father. Hey, Azuka. Watch him. Hey, watch him. Papa, we better you to do something fast. No problem. What Azuka?
So, Azuka wanted to cut me into pieces. Or cut into pieces. That girl of yesterday. Aye. Chimo.
Mama, good afternoon.
You're coming back from school at this time. This is evening. School closed since 1 p.m. This is 3 p.m. Do you want to kill me or BP?
BP.
Mama, he has been fighting as usual. Don't you see how he's looking?
Mama, you know Oguna that first looked for my trouble.
And you fought? You fought?
Yes, nah. I beat her mercilessly.
Yeah. Irene, let's go inside.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, what about Azuka? She must be at the workshop.
Where else will she be other than her shop? Let's go. Okay. Let's go inside. Mama, what did you call him again? 1 week, 1 trouble.
I have cut down the tree. I have cut down the tree. Mazu Bochi and that is useless son also can go and kill themselves. I've cut it down. Anything that wants to happen should happen. Collect my inheritance from me. You think I'm afraid? I've cut down the tree. That thing that you want to do now that I've cut down the tree, go and do it. Go and do it. If the tree grows again, I'll cut it down. Ne.
Mama.
This drink is very nice. Very smooth in my throat. If I go to your mother,
No wonder. This is what they have been enjoying in the city. That makes Auntie Linda's skin to be fresh and smooth. I said it.
I believe you. My skin is changing already. Then you know my skin is glowing already.
Mama, I like it.
Hey, Mama, you're already drinking without waiting for Papa.
I'm sorry, I couldn't wait any longer. You know your mother. You know I like enjoyment. Besides, your father doesn't like this type of drink.
Mama. Meanwhile, Mama, what are you feeding Isioma with? She's getting too fat though.
That's by the way. Please, how much did you buy this drink? Because I want to buy it. Money make sense.
I bought it 850 naira.
It's again. 850 naira. For this drink? No now.
Mama, Biko.
Why?
What is 850 naira?
It doesn't worth it. Hey, I know one month. Let me say again. 850 naira. That is enough to cook a pot of stew. Kid, we go get it. Oh, Linda.
Mama, not to worry. It's my money. I am not complaining.
Mama, good evening.
How are you, my dear?
Fine, thank you.
Yoma.
Linda, you're back.
Hey. No.
Mama, Chifa Kibilo is back. I'm just coming back from his house now. He came back with his wife. I believe he's back to stay for good.
Mama, Chief is back.
This is good news.
I am going there right away. Chief is back.
Yes.
Azuka, your late father borrowed money from me. And we both agreed that if he is unable to pay, I will not have total possession of the Iroko tree. That is what I am telling you here. I am in possession of that tree. Don't go near that Iroko tree again. Don't. Ekucham.
My father, my late father, told me that he borrowed 3,000 naira from you. But my late father did not tell me that you inherit his Iroko tree because of the 3,000 he borrowed from you. He never told me that. So show me an agreement, a written agreement that you both agreed. Hey, Ichiobachi, take this Iroko tree if I don't pay back. Show me an agreement.
I don't even need your money. It is just the Iroko tree that is mine. I am the rightful owner now.
Of my father's Iroko tree?
Yes, because he was unable to pay the money.
So you will inherit my father's Iroko tree for 3,000 naira that he borrowed you because the Iroko tree is your father's own.
Ubochi, I have told you before. This woman has a very foul mouth.
Girl.
Oh, girl. Ubochi, this girl woman has a very foul mouth. I've told you. Look, if you will listen to my advice, let her pay your money.
Oh no. I don't even need the money. It is the Iroko tree that I need. Make you come.
Iche, this is the money my father borrowed from your hand. Please, do not go near my father's Iroko tree. Do not go near my Iroko tree. Biko.
Azuka, just wait. Let me tell you. The 3,000 naira he borrowed 9 years ago is now 3 million naira. 3 million naira.
The Iroko tree has become a forest of Irokos.
Yes.
Okay.
Didn't the tree grow?
Ja?
Yes. Didn't the tree grow?
Azuka, you had better just be careful of yourself. Be careful.
Because you have to give him the money that you're supposed to give him. Or else, you let the country become its own. What kind of girl are you?
Uncle, you know I don't want to say anything. Because if I talk now, they will say Azuka does not know how to talk. Azuka is insulting elders. I do not know why you are angry. I am not the reason why there's no hair on your head.
This girl is insulting me, oh!
The 3,000 naira my father borrowed. Please, do not go near my Iroko tree. Please.
She's insulting me!
But I told you people...
Listen. Mazubochi, you are the one killing yourself. Just go there. Take it. What are you saying? This girl you're seeing here, she's a troublesome girl.
You have all spoken well. Iche Ubochi, I want you to remember that late Ikena was your bosom friend.
Yes.
Please, for old time's sake, I want you to allow her have the truth.
Hi.
You know it is from this carpentry works she is using to sustain the family.
Yes.
Please, be going.
I am. Hey! You are using your mouth to say this. It's true. Hey! I am. If not that I know you, and I know your father.
Oh, what I would have done to you today. I will never allow her to take that tree. Do you know what you are saying?
Mommy!
Just enjoy me. I'm tired.
Mommy, how was work today?
Work was fine.
Mommy, now let us gist.
Yeah. You are who is just Irene, you're back from school? Yes, this afternoon. How is studies? Fine, but it's stressful. But it's part of the studies. I know. How are you doing, sister? Yeah, I'm fine. Just stressed. You can see me. Hey, young man. I heard your scores today. Yes, you beat her up real good.
I beat her mercilessly. I don't even give her time to eat.
I don't know. You are like me. You are fearless. Yes, you are fearless people. You're not afraid of anybody. You really respect them. I'm proud of you. Madam.
Mommy, I took after you. And you took after Mama.
Bam!
We are strong people.
Gayum! Anybody Gayum? Oh my God, yeah! I am there to go. Gayum!
How's your journey? I've missed you too.
Same here.
How? You're welcome.
What about your dad?
Your daddy is in his room. He's dressing up for a village meeting.
Okay.
Like, don't worry about that. There is food. Oh, you're looking good.
Of course, that was supposed to be.
Obiama!
You are going out?
Yes, I am going out. Yes. What is it?
Hey, go. Money.
Wait first. Obioma.
Nine.
Where have you formed this childish habit of stopping me each time I'm going out? Were we not together in the house all along?
Childish habit?
Yes.
So what is wrong with that? Stopping you to give me money is now the childish habit of where?
What about the money your daughter give you? I saw her give you money in the room.
You're right. It is true, you saw her. But you see, that money she gave me is for something else. Wham! So give me money, Biko.
What about the whole money I donated to you overnight?
You donated?
Forget.
Nah, Biko, I'm not out for that your joke. Give me money. Give me money, Biko. Who's the money?
Just hold on. When I come back, I will give you 10 times more than what you are asking.
Nani, wait! You've not gone, you're talking about coming back. You will not go now until you give me money.
Okay. See, go inside the room. Under the bed. Yeah, you know that big box?
Yes. Yes.
There's another box inside that big box.
Okay.
Inside the big box, there's another box. Okay. Inside that one, there's another one. Okay. Pick the axe. Okay. Break that one. There's so much money inside. Just take it out.
Hey, Nai, come here. You know you are the man.
Yes.
And you have power to break the box. So why not come and break the box and give me the money yourself?
Whoever should spend much money should be able to have some power. I know you can break it.
In a case like this, now you need to break it yourself. Let's not drag over it now. What are we dragging for? Understand it is very simple. Give me money. This is your responsibility as a man.
My face is changing.
Your face will change. My own too will change.
No.
Okay,
let us change the face.
Change.
Oh yeah? Let's go.
No, I am not cut out for that your joke. You are not moving an inch. Nine. Okay, Nene. Come and give me money.
Why are you doing this to me? Let me go to where I'm going.
It is your duty to give me money.
Hey! Are you serious?
Linda, I have never been scared in my life like this. Honestly, I won't make this kind of mistake again.
Hey! I have told you to stop all this your love nonsense. This thing where we dey in a street, and anyone who is on the street has to be smart. This your love nonsense na bad business. This thing where we dey na strictly business, no love at all. That is the rule.
You're right. I have learnt my lesson. The hard way though. That stupid doctor asked me to have sex with him before he could carry abortion on me.
What do you do?
I give him now. And for carry belle they walk up and down. My sister Azuka already has a child outside wedlock. Now cause.
Anyway, the good thing is that there is nothing in there again. Abi? So, you just have to coordinate yourself. Forget about this love of a thing. Anyway, there is Wakao for government house next week.
Oh, I am there live. Nana doctor.
Pick him now. Pick him, go collect back your money.
So Dad, I hope you are enjoying your stay in this village.
Oh yes, I am. Home is good. There's no place like home. You see, I thank God I am retiring as a successful businessman.
You are a successful businessman by all standards, Dad.
Afam, I'm handing over the baton to you. You continue from where I stopped. I have no doubt you surpass my achievements.
Dad, the shoe is way too big for me to fit in. But I'm assuring you that I'll keep the family business running. I must make sure that everything quite put in place. At the same time, I want to say a very big thank you for giving me the opportunity to, get into the family business. And then today, a lot is happening.
It's because you are a hardworking, a trusted son of Chief Akubiru.
Well, I learned it from you.
Then you're a good student.
When you see the bubble, make you no run. Azuka, very hot, biggie wahala.
Where do you think you're going to class monitor?
Obiago, please let me go. I don't want any of your troubles.
Ta! Shut up your mouth. Oh, you know that I even have trouble. And you still have the guts to write my name in the list of noisemakers. Not even one time, oh. 5 times. 5.
Obiago, please let me go. I want to go.
Obiago, please let me go. I want to go home. Well, too late for you. Wait, oh, what are you doing that eye for? Now, get on your new.
Obiago, please, no.
Get on your new. My leg, Obiago, please.
You go sit down, you go run. Azuka.
John, I miss you.
Yes.
I'm not talking to you.
Ichie, what are you counting? Eh?
Oh, I'm counting cows.
Ichie.
You can see that I'm my herdsman.
Talk to your fellow Ichie, oh.
Ichie Onu, I said I am talking to you.
I am. What do you want from me? Am I on you? Why are you harassing me?
Ichie Onu, an elder who denies the knowledge of ground digging is a corny elder. Why will you go around telling Azuka the workshop belongs to the family? Why?
Chere, are you a member of our family? Eh? What gave you the impetus, the audacity to come and be questioning me? Are you a member of our family?
Huh? Ichie Onu, I might not be a member of a family, but I knew how you people shared the property. Azuka's father, was my very good friend. Do you want her to become useless? If she's not hardworking, you will say she's not hardworking. Now she's hardworking, you want to frustrate her. Or do you want her to go about sleeping around with men? Is that what you want?
Ichie, tell him.
Tell me, is that what you want?
Tell them. Tell them. Because he will not listen. Tell him.
Yes. Is that what you want? Is that what you want her to become?
Eh? Ichie, tell them. Help me ask them.
Wait.
But no problem. If I see your leg in my shop again, if I see your leg in my shop again, with this your half-inch neck, you will see. Ichie, one free bench for you. You don't have to pay. Free bench for you, no matter what anybody says. One free bench for you.
Oh no, Azuka, you don't have to bother
I'm
yourself.
going.
Oh Azuka, you don't have to bother yourself. It's okay. Let the truth be told. You just heard what she said.
I've heard your bench, have you? Your bench. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just because they promised you bench. That is why you are poke-nosing in other people's affairs. You've done your worst, oh. You've done your worst.
Ichie Onu, I've warned you. I have warned you.
Get out from here!
Be careful. I won't talk to you again. Be careful.
Bench! Hey! Hey, I pity you.
I warn you.
Because of bench.
I said I warn you.
What? I can't hear you properly. Oh, okay. Yes, I can. Today? No, it can't be possible. I'm not even in town. I'm in the village as we speak. No, it wasn't planned. I actually got a call from my mom that she's sick. I had to rush to the hospital. So I had to leave immediately to the village. Irene, I will talk to you. The doctor is there.
Who is doctor? Who is sick? Irene, I hope you are not living a fake lifestyle.
No, Mama, it's my boss.
Boss, what?
Yes, ma'am.
Boss, where? You have boss in the school?
Mama, you don't know? Okay, now that you've asked, let me explain it to you. I got a part-time job in school that will help me take care of all my expenses. Since Papa is late, I don't want to bother you and Azuka so much. So, that's why.
You know, I'm beginning to wonder
I wanted to ask you, where you get all those money that you use in buying all the things you buy as a student?
Mama, where else? It's from my job.
Hey, yeah.
Where else do you think I get the money to buy all these dresses, all my books, shoes? It's from my job.
Name. God will bless you, oh.
Amen.
You will surely reap the fruit of your labor.
Amen.
Hmm?
Amen.
Yeah. Take
Hey, Mama, what are you holding?
It's food for your sister. Take it to your sister in the shop.
Oh, okay.
Be careful.
Tom, you are here, and I was waiting for you inside the house. Okay?
There's no need of waiting for me. You have to start going.
Baby, eh? But I told you not to worry. I will make the money available for you. Eh?
Then give it to me. If you like, you bring it. If you like, don't bring it. I have told you, there are a lot of girls. Plenty of girls out there in the village waiting for me, even begging me, bringing gifts up and down for me to be their boyfriend. But I chose you. You can't mess me. If you waste time, I will divert. I will divert.
Eh? Are you not my person? My baby? Nobody will choose you. I will not even give you the space
don't
to
go that side
choose
again.
anybody. Eh? I was even thinking we would do one more round.
Don't go that.
You know you are very sweet.
Don't go that side. I have to start going before my father is coming.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Nonso. He good. That is who you are. Instead of you to think on how we can get back that Irokotri from that stubborn girl called Azuka, you are here jumping from one girl to the other. Look, if we get back that tree, we will sell it to chief. Then you will take the proceeds to Lagos and start up a business. But instead, you are here jumping from one girl to the other, one girl to the other, one girl to the other. Sometimes I begin to think, if truly you are my son, you don't even have any resemblance with me.
Papa, is it my fault? How is it my fault in this case now? How is it my fault? Afo came and make Afo. A man cannot just chip your just stay like that. Am I a woman? One must do somehow.
No, so for your information, Abasioso Agwamai. This you're jumping from one girl to the other. We will see.
Coconut head. Okay. If you disturb me, I will buy you back. You are my father. You must be your son, whether you like it or not. Which other father I have? You must be my father. There's no going back. Me and you will die together as papa and son.
The next time you touch her or any other student in this school complains about you, this will be small compared to what I will do to you. Yes. Carry your bag and go home, naughty boy. Chidera, he won't bother you again. He has gotten what he deserves. Oh?
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. That is good for him. He deserves it. Next time he try it again. As una dey see, my eyes dey see you now. Oh. I go catch una one after the other. For the stupid teacher, ugly teacher. You go here for my mama.
Don't worry, I'll make up to you, eh? I will make up everything.
When are you
When the right time comes, I'll do that. Not yet time.
The right time. It's okay.
Afam, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go then.
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment what? I'm in my workshop. Work, chop. It's now that you are bringing food. Do I know people decided not to cook again? Inherit it, because. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Did I know? If you know.
Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon, Auntie Irene.
Yeah? Why is your face like this? Why are you crying?
Did you know that our useless class teacher, he flogged me in the school field?
Makagi, why? Where? Why?
Why not tell us what you did first? You won't say.
Yeah. What did you do?
You see, if I come tomorrow, she will flog me.
Do you know his house?
Yes, I know her house.
Oh, yeah. He's a woman. Come on, show me your house.
Azuka, your shop.
My shop. Stay with the shop, Nadia.
Hey, Shiva Kubilo.
Go dancing.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
I was told you came back from the city and I decided to come to your house to see you.
Oh, yes.
Hey.
Odensi, you are one of the few men in this town I rely so much on.
Oh, Chief, you don't have problem at all.
Yes.
We'll be friends from childhood.
Good.
It looks as if you are going somewhere.
Yes, I want to see the owner. We have a meeting, so I want to see him so that we can try things out.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
That's remind me. What about those people that are agitating for autonomous community?
Oh, well, as you know, it has been a ding-dong affair. So up till now, we've not really gotten...
I don't think... Help me, please. Hey, you don't see, please. Hey. You don't see. Hey.
Here, who's that ill-mannered person knocking like this on my door? Madam. Obiagu, what is it?
Hey, Obiagu, what is it? Are you not the one that flogged my son? Flogged him and gave him scars all over his body. Are you not the one?
Madam, I'm the one, but your son behaved in an unruly manner.
Madam, have you seen the marks you put all over his body? Are you his mother?
No.
So why did you flog him like this?
Madam, he behaved in an unruly manner. Ask him what he did.
Hey. My son is a well-behaved boy. He will never behave in an unruly manner. How can you flog him like that and give him marks all over his body? Have you seen his back? Have you seen this boy's back? Have you seen it?
No.
Eh? Yeah. So you now flogged him and gave him marks all over his body?
No. Did I beat you very well? Madam, it's just small.
Mother.
Are you his mother? Auntie, are you his mother? I'm asking you, are you his mother?
Calm down, please. Please, calm down. Just wait. Let me explain. Let me explain. Your son behaved in an unruly manner in school.
Apologize to me.
Madam, I'm his teacher.
Apologize to the boy.
Obiagu, sorry. Oh, I will not touch you again. I will not touch you. Don't worry.
You mean you will not tell anybody?
Oh, I'm not telling anybody. I will not touch you.
Are you forgiving her?
No.
Be safe here, stubborn.
Madam.
Apologize to him properly.
Obiagu, I say I'm sorry. Sorry.
Apologize to him again. Because if I come here.
Madam, you will not come here again because I will not touch him. You will not come here again. I will not touch him.
It's okay. Let's go.
Oh, Madam, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Yes. In fact,
That is on the line. Oh. Hello, honey.
What? Honey, wait. Are you okay? Where is Afam? Honey, Jesus. Which hospital? I am coming there now. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Mommy, what is it? Is Daddy and Afam okay? What is it?
Your father was attacked by hired assassins a few minutes ago.
Are they fine? Who's in the hospital then? Who's in the hospital?
Your dad and Afam are fine, but the man with them is injured. His condition is really bad according to your dad.
Mommy, please, let's go to the hospital. I'm no more comfortable here.
No. Your dad said we should calm down, that he will soon be here. They are still looking for hospital to take the injured man to. Don't worry.
Why did you keep me waiting? Eh?
What are you doing here? Oh, you think I don't know that you followed the Joma home after seeing me off, right?
So you kept me here waiting for you to come out now to show me that you're angry, Abby?
Yes, I'm angry.
Mrs. Angry, well done.
Oh no. Somebody cannot play with you again. This small joke, you are taking it seriously.
Why won't I take it serious?
Yeah, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. Obi. I say sorry now. Yeah.
Hey. So have fun now. What of what I asked you? You didn't get it.
I will get it, boss. Calm down now. Let me explain.
Explain what? Why am I even wasting my time with you? When you get it, you come here. I beg you.
Honestly, I'm worried. Mama, you worry too much. The funny thing is that when Papa is around, both of you fight like cat and dog. And now that he's not here, you're worried. Or are you missing him?
Linda, I've been married to your father for many years now. He doesn't keep late nights. He never spends one night outside. I don't know.
Mama, he's fine. Wherever he is, I am sure he's fine. It's not that late even. He's fine. You worry too much. He will be fine. Not to worry. He will soon come back.
Abitao, Dikeh touched her. In fact, I'm sure she'll not try to.
That will teach her a very good lesson. A very good lesson. So that she'll not be beating people's children anyhow.
And give them mark.
Sister Azuka, I'm not in support of your action. Allow the school authorities to train this boy for you.
Aka, why? Why? I do not have a problem with her beating the child. I have a problem with her giving him scars on his back.
We all know that Obiago is a stubborn child. We know. We know also that he must have done something wrong. Irene, it's not a license for the teacher to turn my grandson into a cow. Mba.
Mba. Bam.
My grandson.
Bam.
Mba.
Yeah. I sent him to that school to study.
They've not trained themselves. They should not train my son. They should just teach him.
Okwago.
What could say be killing this doctor?
Eh?
God.
Dad, I think you have tried. You have to go home and get some rest while I stay here with you.
No. No. I can't go home under this condition. I mean, I could have been the one battling with life. But he saved me.
It's okay.
Sir, the doctor would like to see you.
Would like to see us?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have to get the police report before I can commence treatment on the patient. His condition is very critical, and if nothing is done about it, we may lose him. So I advise you get it.
Dear doctor, where do you expect me, Chief Akubilo, to get police report at this hour of the night? It's past 12 midnight. Commence treatment. First thing tomorrow morning, I will get you police report. Even if you want the highest authority in police to sign it, I will get the agent to sign it. You know me?
It's our policy. My hands are tied.
If your hands are tied, untie it. Treat this person. Look, if anything happens to him, you will see who I am. What nonsense is this?
Doctor, please, commence treatment. You know what? I will personally get the report tomorrow morning.
See, like I said...
Doctor, give me patience. Give me patience.
He is not speaking too. My husband was not picking his call. And now Afam is also not speaking. What is happening? What are they hiding from me? God, please save my family.
Let's go back. It's already late. Let's go.
Please. I don't know. I have this feeling that something is not right. Please, let's search for him more. Oh, Biko.
Nothing will happen to Papa. Let's go. It's already late. The rain is coming heavy.
Okay. You know what? Let's try the other street. He might be there.
Mama.
Let's just try. Oh?
Mama, look at the time. Oh.
Biko. Let's try. Oh? Let's go. Oh?
Sir, We really have to pray hard. His condition is very, very critical. But the good news is that I will commence treatment immediately.
Oh, thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Obi! Come on, go to school.
Mommy, I don't want to go to school today.
Why?
The headmaster will flog me for what you did to my teacher. I don't want to go to school.
Nobody is going to flog you. If they flog you, I will go to the school and I will run mad. Did you hear me? You have to go to school. Unless you end up like me, a carpenter. You want to be a carpenter?
Yes, Mommy. I want to be a carpenter.
Michelle, please let it.
No, I want to be a carpenter.
I said swallow
when
it.
I grew up.
Because Nifa. Hey, your big teeth and carpenter. Don't say that. Hey. Go to school.
Sister, I said to go out.
I said to go. Tell Mama I could not wait. I have to hurry. Okay. I have to branch Akara woman's shop to fix her table for her.
Okay. Sister Obiago must go to school. Oh. I heard him saying he wants to be a carpenter like you when he was for business.
He's playing. He's playing. Tell somebody I'm taking to the school by myself. If I have to drag him by the collar. Yeah. Support yourself.
Mama, be strong. Take heart. Let's hope that Papa is fine wherever he is. Please.
I'm now convinced that my husband is not fine. I know something is wrong. Yes, I have the feeling. God, please help me. Help me, because...
Mama, nothing is wrong with Papa. Let's have faith in God. There is nothing God cannot do. Nothing is wrong with him.
Linda.
He's fine wherever he is.
Linda, I've been married to your father for many years now. He has never slept out for one night. I know he's not fine.
Mama, nothing is wrong. Okay, fine. If after today Papa is not back, we'll go to the place.
Hey, then let's go now. It's better now. Let's go now.
He is an adult. We'll have to report this case after 48 hours.
Mandi Wukuya.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. No. Mama, please. He's not the one. Just come, put yourself together. Be cool.
I don't should be scared of anybody. But I'm scared of this. Uncle, good morning.
So you will not answer our greetings because of my inheritance that you want to collect from me?
See, I don't have time for two of you. I don't have time for you. Very soon, very soon, the police will settle that case between you and our kinsmen. And that thing that is rightfully mine will crawl to me. No, it will jump to me. You will see.
I am waiting for you and your police, uncle. I will not allow you to take my inheritance from me. Mbanu, you think my father does not have an heir? My son here will take over from my father's wealth. He is my father's heir. That is for those of you who think my father left empty and does not have an heir. He will take over.
If you people think I will not grow, I will grow.
Mejonu, you little rat. Adults are talking, you are talking. Your mother has completely spoiled you. Is this how you will grow? Look, I don't have time for two of you. I'm coming, you will see.
Uncle, you will see. This boy you are seeing here,
he will grow. He will grow. As small as you are, you're already spoiled. You're talking when others are talking.
This boy you are seeing here, he will grow. He will grow. He will grow.
Do you see why I have told you? Don't dance like that. I told you I don't like that dance. They want to take my inheritance because I did not finish technical college. That is why you must go to school. You will finish university.
What are you not seeing how he's working?
I beg you don't try Azuka. Azuka, very hard.
I will finish
Biggie wahala. When you see her grace, you will never be the same. You go sit on up, you go.
Honey, don't beat yourself so hard. You know your health condition. I don't want anything to happen to you. Udensi is dead. And we cannot bring him back even if we want to.
What do I tell his people? How do I explain to them that Udensi died because of me?
Honey, in that case, let's involve the police.
Police. Please. Elizabeth, please. Allow me to solve my problem one after another. Stop compiling issues for me, please.
Honey, I am sorry. Don't get yourself worked up. Let's go to the room so that you can shower.
Go, I will join you later.
IJ Bebito.
Hey, Nonso.
Alan
Hey, where are you coming from?
From my house, you know you no longer miss me. You don't no longer come to see me. I say, let me come and see you. You know that Reverend Father sometimes will forget to go and see the catechist. And the catechist will also decide to go and see the Reverend Father.
It's not that I don't miss you, eh? I miss you very much, but I just decided to give you a little break to know if you love me.
Oh, you are not giving me a break, Abby? No problem. It's obvious to me now that somebody is somewhere looking after you. But you know I don't play with you. If I catch that man,
so please.
I don't play with you.
Hey.
If I catch both of you, me out.
I'm happy to know that you miss me very much.
Oh, you don't know how I love you. You see, let me tell you, if I make money in this village, I will spoil you, Sele. You will be the envy of all the girls in this village.
Aww.
Yes, no.
Are you for real?
Yes, no.
No, so you don't know how it makes me feel to know that you love me very much, eh? Me, I love you too.
Exactly.
So what do you want?
Well, I don't want much, just that I don't want only bread, indomie, egg, sardine, and one bottle of Budweiser. Major there.
No, so wait. Egg, indomie, sardine, Budweiser, only you, and bread. Yes, I'm coming.
Yes. Please. Hey, what are they got? What the more?
I want bread.
Yeah, get you for bread. I'll go there.
It's up. No, soup.
Don't worry. Auntie, I'm taking him to the school now because he's afraid to go there. Madam. So you have to advise that your principal that by the time I start with him, that school will not contain us. Tell them what happened between me and you. We are not to touch this boy.
Madam, I don't have strength and I don't have your time now. Please, come to the school. I need the headmaster. I don't have strength. Please.
Mommy, I'm not talking about the teacher. I'm talking about the headmaster.
Don't worry. Hey, Auntie. See,
I don't want to go to school alone.
But I follow you down there. Let me see the person that will beat you. The person will kill me.
When you see her grace, you will never be the same. You go sit on up, you go run.
Welcome. Thank you. Hey, Chief. Hope all is well.
Obioma.
Sir?
Sit down first.
You should be the one to sit down. Sit.
We'll sit. Sit down first. Sit first.
Okay, let me get more.
No, sit first. Just sit down first.
Welcome, ma. Thank you. Welcome, sirs.
Please, I hope all is well. Everything is fine.
Obioma.
Sir?
It's about your husband.
My husband? Have you seen him? Is he okay? Please, he did not come home last night. Because,
Nai, please talk to us. Please, because we are already planning on reporting this issue to the police. Yes. Before you came.
Exactly, because hope all is well. Chief. Have you seen him? Talk to me.
Ujunwa.
Papa?
Where's your brother?
He has gone out.
Hey! When will this boy be useful to himself in this house? When?
Papa, why not give brother some time? I'm sure he will.
How long?
Take this inside.
Who would have come? Let us eat and celebrate. Where did you get these things from? Who gave them to you? I am asking you, where did you get these things from?
Papa, what kind of a question is that now? Look, you're asking brother where he got all these things from. I'm still grown up man.
Would you want to tell Papa? There is no food in the house. Papa, you couldn't even feed your son and your daughter. Now your son has gone out there to hustle. Now I have food. You are still complaining. Papa, what will I do for you to be happy? I don't know what else to do to satisfy you. Hi. No, so shame on you. Shame on you. Just look at you. Just look at the way we are here. You went and swindled these girls. Take their money, take their properties, and you are here telling me you went out hustling. Is this hustle? Shame on you. Shame on you. Did you have seen your papa? Have you seen it? Have you seen Papa? If I begin to pray now, God, make me when, they will say that I'm praying bad prayer for my father.
Brother, if you are praying to be a fatherless guy, me, I'm not praying to be a fatherless girl. Me, I want to have a father. But when will you and Papa stop all these things every time?
When Papa starts respecting me, all these things will stop.
You said you are not.
Me, sir. You see all those things? He will see. Nonsense. I don't know what I have done to my father. Hi! Papa will not let you to die in vain. Last, I will use you for money ritual.
Obioma, my family and I are deeply saddened over your loss. But what can we do but to ask God to grant his soul eternal repose and at the same time give you the fortitude to bear this loss.
Obioma, your husband Udensi was a very nice man. He was well known for his good nature. We all in this community will miss him. We promise you that we are behind you, and we will not hesitate to be of assistance in any way it is required of us during the laying of rest of your husband.
Before your husband died, I made a solemn promise to him that I will look after his family. That promise I hold so dear to my heart. Obioma, you and your children are now my responsibility. I will take good care of you.
Thank you, my husband. What can I say? My husband is dead. And there's no amount of money that can bring him back. I thank you for all your support. May God bless you. Please take heart. Everything will be fine.
Uncle, I will not let you have my inheritance. I will not sell it. I will not share it. I will not let you have it.
Azuka, Asimungi Mechono, Mechono, shut up! Do you realize you are a woman? Oh, okay. Oh, you are thinking that bastard you had out of wedlock will make you to have access in this community. Let me give you this as an information. That boy will grow up to either kill you or go looking for his father. So be careful.
If I talk now, they will say Azuka does not know how to talk. Because the minute they called me, when I got there and I perceived the smell of your mouth, I knew that you have already planned to take my inheritance away from me. But it will not work. My son is not a bastard. And for saying that to me, a trailer load of bastards is what I wish your family.
Hey! I see Azuka. It is impossible. My daughter is responsible.
Azuka, I know that you have a foul mouth. But for you to insult an elder like this. Anyway, let me tell you, that workshop belongs to my family. And by extension, mine. Now your father took it over. I kept quiet. Now you want to take it over? Mbano. Impossible.
Oh no. Possible. Yes. Very possible.
Gloria.
What is wrong if my daughter takes after her father's business?
Chiniki.
What is wrong? Oh no. Yes. In Alemania, hold it there. My late husband taught her this job. You hear me?
Wait. You have the audacity to tell me to keep quiet when I'm talking.
Because I'm not
my woman, because we called you for. Why did you even call her for this meeting?
Is it you that told me to come here?
Look, let me tell you, that workshop belongs to me. I only allowed your husband to use it because when my father was alive, he was interested in that business. But now you want your daughter to take it again. It will not work. Are you hearing? It will not.
It is not yours, uncle. It was my father's workshop. My father taught me carpentry. Because the property, the shop, belongs to my father. Uncle, I will not allow you have my inheritance. I will not share, like I said earlier. I will not sell either, like I said earlier. Mom. And I will not allow anybody to take it away.
Yeah, Azuka. I only have one simple advice for you. Remove your hand from that land now. See Pake will no fe to waka mado.
We as family members, we have decided to sell that land and share the money amongst us. You know very well that that land is situated in a very good location. And properties out there are very expensive. So when we sell it, it's a very good thing for the whole of us.
Wow. Properties out there are very expensive. So when we sell it, it's a very good thing for the whole of us.
What is wrong with
Is it your property? Is it your property? Anybody I see in that shop must be ready to die.
You see? Azuka! Hey! I told you we shouldn't call women for meeting. Look, Felix, we are the elders of the family. We own this family. Why would you call women for a meeting? That girl is wicked. Let us bring police and lock her up for the rest of her life so that we will have a chance to do what we want to do. If not, she will kill us. She will kill us.
Oh no. Oh no. Upon you and Ikwifa. Listen, you don't talk like that. This thing here, what we are discussing here is family matter. Okay. You don't take it to the police. It will prolong the whole thing.
Well, oh no. If I'm to tell you the truth, Ubochi, yeah, it's right. See, it's a very easy thing. We don't need to be killing ourselves. We are men, we are fathers. We should look for a very rich, interested buyer and sell the land at once. Take her away.
You don't know Azuka. She's a carpenter and she has this machine she used to pursue people. She will kill us. I think she has told you now that bastards are coming to your house.
Hey, no, don't worry. Bastards will not come.
Don't worry. We will sell the land by then should be anticipated. Don't just worry yourself. Okay. We should. She's a little girl now. Little girl.
No to Chukwu.
Ekwem no to Chukwu. No to Chukwu.
Ijoma. Where is Nonso? Nonso should be inside. It's no one in the house.
There's nobody. I've been knocking. Nobody is responding.
Hey.
Anyway, just tell him I came as promised. Eh? Let me be going.
Are you leaving already? Oh, you're leaving. Alright. Tell me something when you are coming next time.
It's like something. No problem, I'll buy. Tell him I came.
I will.
I'm waiting for them. I am waiting for them and they should come.
Azuka, calm down. Calm down. Oh.
I will not calm down, Mama. I will not calm down. They should come and collect my shop from me. They should come.
Calm down. They won't do anything. Only God knows what I did to these men in this village. Eh? They will not mind their business.
I'll sit down and I'll be clapping for them. They should come and take my shop from me.
Good afternoon, Mom. You are back.
Thank God you are back. They are planned in secret. They want to collect our shop from us.
Yes. Who is that? Yes.
Come here, come here, come here. Come
yes.
Here. Agu. Come, just come.
My head is
Come. Azuka. Azuka. You don't do anything to anybody in this way. Just wait.
Gaga, my son, they want to take our shop. Gaga.
You should gaga.
Daddy? Daddy, what is it? You look so worried.
My daughter, you will not understand.
Daddy, I'm your daughter. You can still make me understand.
Do you know, I could have been the one lying motionless in that morgue. But he saved me.
Daddy, I know. It's okay. You will live long for us. Nothing is going to happen to you. Your food is inside. Please, let's go inside.
Get me my phone. I need to make some calls.
Okay, Daddy.
Yes, I've been inside.
And you didn't see Ijoma when she came?
Oh, Ijoma came. I didn't see her.
No, sir. Are you hiding from Ijoma?
How can I hide from Ijoma? I've told this girl to leave me alone. She refused. Let her give me breathing space. Okay, it's a matter of...
Hey! When you are collecting Indomie and sardine, why didn't you tell her she should stop bringing it? You'll be collecting it and you'll be hiding from her.
Is it her money? Is it not her mother's money? Is it her mother's shop?
Even at that now, you'll be collecting, you'll be running. She's going. Oh, brother. But no, so wait. Why do you derive joy in collecting things from these girls? And when they get close to you, you will start hiding and running away from them. Why?
If you eat rice, you eat beans. No, but the beans will... They don't want somebody to rest. I don't want again.
Look, Nonso. If you don't want them again, stay away from them. Stop collecting from them. I'll say my own.
Okay. I should stop collecting from them.
Yes, nah.
Then tie your mouth very soon because collecting has ended though. You see all this chewing-gum biscuit is sweet and you are going there to collect. It's at ended though. All these things she's giving you, do you think she gives those things to you because of she loves you? She gives you those things because of me, if you don't know. So since you said I should stop collecting, you too stop collecting. No?
If you stop collecting, me I'll stop collecting.
Better stop collecting. If you want to collect now on your head, yes. If you want to collect, you get.
You tell them you don't want to.
I will have told them they don't want to listen.
Okay, babe, you have to go in now. I'll come and meet you up there.
No, I'm waiting for you.
What do you mean, no? You're waiting for me? Go in there, and I'm coming. Let me speak to my father on the phone. Go in, I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Dad. I'm fine, Dad. Yeah, I'm good. How did he go with Dence's family? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Nice.
I just left office about 20 minutes ago. Yeah. Not at all. Not at all, Dad. Not at all. Everything is going on well. This weekend. Yeah, this weekend, Dad. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. I will come. That's okay. It's okay, Dad. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.
Honey, how is he doing?
Afam is fine. I want him to come home this weekend. There is something going through my mind.
What is that? Nancy told me you were lost in thought for minutes, that you didn't even hear her call you.
I was actually thinking.
Chief, why? Why were you thinking? Or do you want me to become a widow too? Remember the doctor said that too much thinking is not good for your health.
I wonder.
Today at Udensi's house, I was kind of lost in thought. I was thinking on how to help the family, at least to make up for their loss. Then I saw this girl, this beautiful daughter of Udensi. I said, wow, she could make a good wife far from...
Chief!
Daddy, what did you just say?
I want both families to be one, bounded in marriage. At least with that, it will be easier for me to reach out to them and assist them financially and otherwise.
Chief, Afam has a girlfriend.
And so what?
And besides, things like marriage are not arranged on the basis of sentiment.
I hear
Chief,
you.
think it through. Our son Afam deserves to be happy.
Yes, of course.
Daddy, when am I going for my medicals?
I almost forgot. Afam will be home this weekend. When he comes, we'll see how to go about it. Are you okay now?
If you want try Azuka, forget that move. That's the way you define you go see a move. Azuka na tell well for break. Nobody fit hold a move. Anyhow you want them, she dey. Na trouble she go double am today. When you see the double, make you no run. Azuka,
Mommy, Uncle Mommy is pointing to our shop from across the road.
Do not mind him. Let him point from now to Jericho. As long as he does not come to my shop, there's no problem.
when you see her grace, you will never be the same. You go sit on up, you go run. Azuka.
This structure is not part of the deal. Okay. But in the event that you need it, we bargain for it separately. Then the tools, if you want to buy the tools, and in the event you need some human beings, those two, you can pay for them in advance. You understand? So you can use them. So that's it.
Such a large place indeed. Oh. Good day, madam. How is work? Oh, I'm here to inspect the property for sale.
Which property?
This place.
Which property? Yeah? I will not allow any useless impostor to sell my inheritance. My father's shop will not be sold. Did you hear me? Kweba.
What are you talking about?
AJ, don't worry. You see her. Okay. She's actually a mad woman.
Oh,
you know, during rainy season like this, it comes. The condition is so bad, you know. So,
I see.
You mean I am a son of a mad woman?
Go, Azuka! What's going on here? Azuka! Look at...
That's my boy. That's my guy.
Yes. Come.
It's all about Come and see the madness.
Come here and say she's a mad woman. Let me show you how madness is.
No, take this place. It's a guy. I'm a guy. It's a guy. It's a guy. Well.
Mom, I smell trouble. There is going to be trouble.
I am telling you. So if I'm getting married to Densi's daughter, is the only way your father thinks he could help them.
Mom, we all know who Afam is. Afam is not going to accept this at all. And this is going to lead him and Daddy fighting. You should know it's not good for Daddy's health. Mom, you will have a lot of work to do here. You really do.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
If you say so.
I know so.
Everything I'm teaching you now.
Now, before you call anything, the first thing you do is you measure. This pencil that you always see me putting in my head, that you are putting in your head today, this is what the pencil is for. After you have measured, you mark it. You know why you are marking it? So that if anybody comes or you get distracted, you will not forget you have already marked it. When you mark, measure and mark, no mistake. You understand? The reason why I'm teaching you all these things now, it's not so that you will do this kind of petty work that I'm doing. No. It's because you'll be doing your own carpentry work for companies, big hospital, for big companies. That's how you'll be doing your own. That's why I sent you to school. All these people that are looking at me, they're saying, Azuka, you get better out of wedlock. The child is a bastard. You are not a bastard. You will prove to them that you are the true son of your father, my father. You have to make me proud. One, measure it. Measure it. Price it. After measuring, what do you do? After measuring, what do you do? Mark it. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you.
Don't worry. All those people that are insulting you, don't mind them. When they'll later come back and beg them.
I know, I trust
I'll
you.
Oh, but don't you go, yeah? Oh. Sorry.
Let's go again. Linda, you need to be strong for your mother. She misses her husband. We all miss him. We all miss him. Irene, in all honesty, I still cannot believe that my father is dead. I feel like someone needs to wake me up and tell me that this is a dream. Dear, you need to face the reality of your father's death. I understand how you feel. I've been there. But I'm sure you'll be fine, please. Cheer up, please. Thank you so much. Once we fix a date, I'll let you know. Okay. Thank you.
Where is Hero? I haven't seen her.
She fell ill as a result of our father's death. The pain was too much on her. So my aunt took her away. Hi.
Poor girl. She used to be your father's favorite.
Hey. Hey.
It's okay. Please stop.
Papa. Papa, Mom, my father. Hey.
Stop.
Hey.
Yeah, Mama, you needed to see. I picked up my doormat. Before I could reach them, Obiago had already picked up chisel. Obiago picked chisel. Also, they ran away. Run like mad people.
So they are not the mad ones, Abby?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mad people. Yeah. He was there. Tell them.
Mama, you need to see you. The agent left us Uncle Onu and ran away.
He was there. Really? He ran away.
Yeah.
The one that runs like this.
I really miss this show.
So they are now the mad people.
I dealt with them. This boy, I'm proud of you.
Yes.
Proud of you.
Of course. Yes.
So
He's my
because
grandson.
Papa does not have a son, that is why they are doing all this.
Come on, it's a lie. They cannot do anything.
Auntie, mind what you say, oh. Am I not a man?
Yes.
Am I not a man? Did I chase them?
You are the son of my father. You chased them. You chased them. You are the father. In fact, you are the son of my father. Also, you would have seen something today. You would have seen.
Let them know.
They are planning to give me chieftaincy title there, but I don't think I'll take it.
Why do you say so?
I'm not in my good mood these days.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Mom.
Son, hope you enjoyed your meal. I prepared it specially for you.
I enjoyed every bit of it.
You're welcome.
Afam, get a seat. I want us to discuss.
No, don't worry about that. Honey, let me leave you both to discuss.
That's all right.
Come on,
sit down.
Thank you.
Afam,
Dad.
you were there when the incident that claimed the life of Udensi took place.
Yes.
You were also there when he passed on, and you witnessed what happened at the hospital.
I remembered vividly.
God, I'm a man of my words. I keep to my promise. I intend to keep every single promise I made to Udensi on his dying bed. And I need your support.
You have my total support, Dad.
Good. Marry Linda, Udensi's daughter. She's beautiful. She's good-mannered. She has home training. I believe she will make a good wife for you.
What are you asking, Dad?
I know it is difficult, but do it for me.
Dad, I can only give it a try.
Good.
If it works out for both of us, we'll marry. See, Dad, I promise that you will retire in peace.
Good.
So I wouldn't want anything that would bother you. In all fairness, Linda is not my kind of woman.
she's not. But let's just give it a try for your sake.
Thank you. She'll make a good wife to you, I believe.
Ngwa, jide nka. Ka m were nka jide onwe m.
Hey, not so big boy.
Bia. Where did you get this money from?
Papa, how can you be asking not so big boy like him this kind of question? He's a big boy now.
Big boy? Where did he get the money from, if not from those girls he has been swindling?
Papa. Papa is only a smart guy that can swindle girls and collect money.
You know?
Yes, he's only a smart guy. Papa, it is time for you to begin to appreciate me in this house. If not, I will change my mind over you. As it is now, I can give you 20k. If you need money, tell me. I can give you 20,000 naira now. Look at it. Papa, look at it.
Yeah, Nonso. Do I need to ask you to give your father money?
Papa, I have caught you. So you need money. Eh? Papa, you need money. Is it alright? Wait. God, let me surprise you.
Also the big boy.
Papa, this money came from girls. And as a church man, catechist that you are, you cannot eat it. If you eat it, both of us will go to
Take Nkiro to your room. Show her around. Just make her comfortable.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
Chief, we have come to say thank you for all your support and kindness to us during the burial of my late husband. God bless you so much. We are grateful, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Don't have to. Just stand up. Thank you.
It's nothing. Our families are now one, so feel free to come around. If there is anything you need, just ask. I'll do that for you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Afam, take Linda and show her around.
Okay, ma. If you don't mind, can you join me in the kitchen? Yes.
Very sorry for the death of your father. He was a brave man.
Yes, he was.
Sorry about that. Tell me about yourself.
Hey. There is nothing to say. I am an introvert, so there is nothing interesting about me. You should be the one to tell me about yourself.
Okay. Well, My name is Afamefuna Akobilo, the first son of Chief Akobilo and Sons, Nigeria Limited.
I know that already.
Good. Presently, I run my father's company, and then I'm still single.
Searching?
But not really. I've got one already.
Wow! Congratulations! What's her name?
Well, don't worry. You get to see her during the church service, the right time.
True. Very true. Very true.
Ugochi.
Azuka, you're here.
I'm there. I've come to collect my money. Because you know I don't want any problem. I finished making your table for you. You did not give me money. How many days now?
Azuka, don't be angry. I'll give you the money.
I see me give him the money. Have I not finished fixing your table? Are you not supposed to pay me for your table? How many days have passed now?
Azuka, don't be angry. I'm going to the market today now. I'll give you your money.
I see me going to market now. Is giving me the money. What is my business with the market you are going to? Now let's go to market. Is giving me the money. I don't like that kind of thing, no.
It's not as if I don't have, as in I have the money and I don't want to give to you. Don't worry. I'll bring the money to your shop today.
I don't want to shout too much, oh. I've warned you now. I don't want to call and remind you, because you know you don't listen. You know what? Nothing to do.
Azuka, where are you going?
When you bring my money, come and collect your part.
Azuka, it hasn't got it.
Oh.
Nkirunwa. Hey. These people are enjoying, you know. Hey! If you see the meat that woman used to cook soup, just for one pot of soup, she added chicken, beef, dry fish, stockfish, even a sam. Hey!
Mama, that's not all. That's not all. If you see Nancy's room, fully air conditioned. Come to her wardrobe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dresses everywhere. Mama, I won't lie. I almost beg her for some.
Then why didn't you beg her? Listen, these people are rich. They don't have needs for those things.
You flat ready to go.
Yes. God bless you, Onem. Thank you so much for your hospitality. Oh, greet you for me too.
I will. Here.
Oh.
You can keep the flags if you like.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Thank you so much.
Obioma. How far will take you people home?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, ma. You're welcome. Please go ahead.
It's alright, no problem. I'll do that.
Alright. Ngwadunu. Azuka. Let me have my pan. You're looking for my trouble.
I'm looking for your trouble. I fix your table for you. You refuse to pay me my money. Before I fix the table, you don't tell me you don't have any money. You see, I'm looking for your trouble.
Azuka, I told you that if I finish selling the akara, I'll give you the money.
Hey, I don't have any business with your akara. I came to fix your table. That's time I came to buy akara from your shop. Did you not collect your money? If you know you want to collect your pan, you better give me my money now.
Okay.
Osim is frying akara. Osim is finished frying it. I give you.
It's not as if I have the money. I don't want to give it to you. See. Okay. Take.
My money 500 naira.
Azuka, how much is it?
It's my money 500 naira. Packet of nail. You know how much it is. Pay my 1,000.
Okay, fine. Take this. I will give you the remaining one.
Don't allow me remind you for that money, oh. Go and collect your pan.
Azuka.
Put it back, Pico.
Oh, fine woman.
Yeah. You give me a card as interest.
Okay, no problem.
I will go. Miss Fra Akada is giving me.
I don't want people to start noticing about this pregnancy.
What do you want me to do now? I told you, I'm not ready for marriage. I don't want to marry now. I told you that time, don't let it enter. Where? Don't let it happen. What do you want me to do?
What are you now saying? What are you now saying?
Let's do something. Maybe buy abortions. Abortion.
What? Abortion? You and who? Me? Abortion? I can't do abortion, no. I can't.
Can't you bring your voice down? Must you shout? We are here to settle things.
See, Nonso, if I don't hear from you from now till weekend,
What kind of problem is this? What will I do now? Oh, if you know what you do for me. If you cannot take abortion, you take anything you want.
what is it?
No problem. Uji, I'll be fine.
I don't get it. You said nothing and you're not looking bright. You even said you'll be fine. Also, talk to me. What is the problem? I'm your sister. I can help you, no?
Really?
Yes, I can help you.
Okay. And you're sure you don't tell Papa anything?
No, I promise. I will not tell Papa.
It's Ada.
What's wrong with her?
It's Ada. It's Ada.
What happened to her now?
Hey, Jesus. Ada says she's pregnant.
Pregnant? How? From where to where?
From Africa.
Where is that bunch of stupid boy? Oh no, so you are here. You are asking each other what is it? I have brought your container home. This is your container. You have to take your container.
Ijoma, what is it?
Mama, this is Ijoma, not container. What are you talking, Ijoma? What's happening?
Your brother here impregnated my daughter. And I have brought her to you people. Now you watch.
Ijoma, I don't understand you. What are you talking about?
See, no, so I warned you, but you say you will marry me. I'm pregnant, you have to marry me.
You want me and I say I will marry you. You want me and I say I will marry you.
That's what you said. That's what you said. You don't have to deny me. That's what you said.
Also.
Uju, Nonso, I'm ready to create a scene. No, I brought her home. She is now your sister-in-law. Nonso, she is your wife. I don't want to see her anywhere near my house. Because if I see her, I will kill her. And I will come here and kill somebody. Let me not see you anywhere near my house. Nonso,
Chinonso, you have to marry me. You have to marry me. I've been warning you since. I've been warning you. You say you love me.
You have been warning me. And I say I love you.
Gloria! Gloria!
Ogochi, what is it? What happened? Everyone is well. This one
I came to you because we're your friends. Not because I don't know what to do to that little thing of yours, Obiago.
What happened? Okay, let me guess. Obiago beat you in school.
Again, and this is not the first time. Please, tell that your little thing. Don't let my daughter be. She's all I've got. It took me so many years to give birth to this child of mine. So please.
Ogochi, calm down. Calm down. I will talk to Obiago. Just calm down, oh?
The next time he lays his hands on my daughter, he will be looking for trouble.
Calm down, please. I have told you that I will talk to you. Chidera, what happened?
Obiago was making noise in the class when I wrote his name in the list of noisemakers. That's why he caught me on the way and beat me up.
Okay, sorry, eh? It will not happen again. Oh?
Please do.
Sorry.
Please do. That little thing of yours is gradually becoming a terrorist in this community. I wonder what he will become when he's 20.
Shut up your dirty mouth! Make sure you get taken quiet!
Finish. Let me finish. I wonder what this village will see if that thing that is crawling out of this house becomes 20 of age.
Ugochi, come back here. Let me warn you. I hope you are not referring to my grandson.
Do you have two of them? Do you?
Leave my house.
I am already on my way.
Where were you when they were beating your daughter? Obiago! The next time! Cut off her head. Let me see you in my gate. You have a daughter, my son will come. Tell me, not a terrorist.
Hey, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. No, so you must marry me. You must.
So this has finally happened. Eh? This has finally happened in my house.
Papa, tell this girl to leave. Tell this girl to leave because I am not going to marry her. I am not going to marry anybody. If you like, be pregnant on the leg, on the head or the back. It's not my business. I am not going to marry. I have said my own. Better leave this house, oh.
No, please. You don't have a choice here. You don't have a choice because Ada is also pregnant. What are we going to do?
What did you just say?
Yes, Papa. Ada is pregnant for Nonso.
Ada pregnant?
Yes. For Nonso.
Hey, me, I don't want to share my husband with anybody. Oh. Which one is Ada is pregnant again? I don't want to share my husband though. And I'm not going anywhere.
Are you warning me?
Sorry, I'm not warning you, but I don't want to share my husband now. So will marry me. Oh.
Who's your husband? Husband by fire by force. Who's your husband? Listen to me. Better leave this house now. Better leave this house now. Because somebody hyper. Better leave this house now because I'm not going to marry you. You see that my room. If you enter that room, I don't know. If you enter that room, I know about the kingdom of darkness.
Papa, sure you are hearing what he's saying. Sure you are hearing him. Me, I'm not going anywhere. Eh? Where do you want me to go? My mother said that she will kill me if I step a foot in that house. Me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here.
Azuka said it. She told me to my face that trailer load of bastards are coming to my house. Now it has happened. Hey!
Papa, it's okay. Calm down, please.
Yeah,
calm down because of your BP, Biko.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank God, my dear.
Mama, I'll be leaving for school tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why tomorrow?
Fam is leaving for Enugu. So he asked I join him in his car.
Afam wants you to join him in his car to Enugu.
Yes, Mama.
Linda, I am beginning to suspect you and that boy.
Hey!
No. I saw the way he was looking at you the other day.
Hey, Mama, there's nothing, no. We are just friends.
It's very simple. Then make that friendship generate to something that will benefit all of us. That family is very rich. They have houses all over the place. Businesses. Listen, we must utilize that opportunity. Very important.
Above all, they are very nice people.
We are saying the same thing. That is why we must take advantage of their good heart and draw closer to them.
Hey, one more thing, Mama. You shouldn't have asked them for this soup. It's like belittling ourselves before them.
How do you mean? No. I see nothing wrong in that. How can you say that? We must make them understand that we need their help. We shouldn't pretend over it. Besides, don't act as if you didn't enjoy this soup. Linda, only good belittling ourselves. Why are we pretending? Anyway, listen to me. I want you to stay focused. Biko, start thinking of marriage. Don't forget, your father died for his father. And we must make them know that. We must use this opportunity to actualize our dreams. Very important. Oh, our suffering must end. Because this is the opportunity. And we must not miss it. Think about it. There, move. You will not kill me. You will not kill me. You will not kill me. Get down there. Kneel down. Nonsense. Obiago, why did you beat Chidera?
Is it because of that naughty girl dragging my ear like this?
Obiago, every day somebody will come to this house with your report that you have done one thing or the other. Are you not tired of fighting in this village?
She's the one that first looked for my trouble. She wrote my name in the list of noisemaker. Not even one time, 5 times.
Obiago, did you not make noise?
Yes, I make noise now. What is
Mama, what's Agunko doing? Kneeling down. Agunko is kneeling down.
He beat his class monitor because the class monitor wrote his name down while he was making noise.
Agu, stand up. Agu,
Azuka!
Mama,
Azuka! It is time we begin to discipline this boy. This boy is getting out of hand, though.
Oh my man, wait. Bye.
Azuka. Azuka. You're supporting this boy.
No. That's very bad of you. Wait. Bye. Oh my God. So you beat the person.
I blow the person. I even give her some to eat.
What do you have to eat? Sit down. What do you have to eat?
I want to eat here.
Come, sir.
How did you see it?
Well, Dad, you know we just met. But she seems a nice girl to me.
Good. She's from a good home. She has home training. And I know you like her.
Well, Dad, I don't really know her too well. I have to study her before we start talking about marriage.
You are right. But at least be fast about it. You make haste while the sun shines.
I'm working towards that, Dad. I will pick her up on my way to Enugu tomorrow morning.
Very good. I was about to tell you that. Afam, call South Africa. I don't know why it is taking them long to supply us the wine we ordered for. And my manager just called to say that the ones we had in stock is exhausted. And you know, it's not good for business.
I know. I'll do that once I get to the office. Yeah.
Azuka! Stand up and give my bench.
Shut up, myself. So if you call my name, I will know you are.
I thought you were deep asleep now, that's why I touched you.
Where do you send me to that I'm deep asleep?
Are you done with my bench?
Your bench is there. I hope you can my balance.
What you like money, Azuka? You and money, take your balance.
That's no money from you because of that thing. Because of that school desk contract that you promised to talk to the principal on my behalf for.
Ah, that one? It is settled. The principal is my brother. He give you the contract. I hope you did my bench very well.
Very, very perfect. Go and sit down on top of it.
Very, very well.
Very, very perfect.
No problem. Well done, yeah? Don't sleep again, those next ones are coming. Azuka.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yes, you are fine. Talk to me. What is the matter?
It's nothing really.
Hello. Oh. Please. Please don't crucify me. Please, I'm begging you. Okay, you know what? I will stop over. As I'm going home right now, I'll stop over before I head home. Okay, man. Okay, see you soon. It's alright.
Your girlfriend?
My best friend. She always got my back.
Seems you guys are quite close.
Are you okay? If you don't look right.
I just got a text from my friend. She won't be coming home as we agreed. I'm wondering how I'm going to sleep in that house alone. I wish I could get somewhere else to sleep.
It's just that. It's just a night. It's okay. It's not a problem.
Sure, yes. Just a night.
I'm looking for you. You were nowhere to be found. I'm so glad that you're here. I will show you that I care, and I will never let you go. Now you're around. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go.
You know Enugu is very far. Very, very far. And you know me too well. I hate night traveling. So hurry up and be going, oh?
Mama, you chasing me out from the house already?
How can? Nebe, who said so? How? My daughter. If I had the time, I want you to stay here with me all the time. But school, what? Huh?
Mama, you're right. Let me go in and get my box and start leaving.
Awesome. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Fast, fast, fast. Eh. I hope you are not leaving your eye pencil.
No.
Okay. Be fast, oh?
Hey, Mama, because of time, I won't be able to go to Azuka's workshop to greet her. Please, when she gets back, greet her.
Sure, I will. Okay. I will. Eh? Be very careful.
I will.
Take care of yourself, oh.
I will, Mama.
Go. Remember. Eh. Be careful. Don't forget.
No.
Eh? Take care of yourself, oh.
I will. Bye-bye, Mama.
Read your books, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Read your books.
Okay, Mama, I will.
Anybody wey touch me, I go show am pepper. I go do am. I go put am well. Na me be my mama pikin. Na me be the last one.
Stop. What happened to you?
She may told me Azuka will not be able to do this seat. I went and I give it to her.
So sorry. So this is the rubbish Azuka did for me. I'm not collecting the whole sum of money from me. Eh? Don't worry. Just come inside. Don't worry. Let me go with Azuka.
Please go and give her. I'll collect the money back for her.
Azuka!
Mommy, I hid inside the bush, throwing knockout at that police teacher. Look at the way she was running.
But are you sure she did not know you are the one?
Mommy, did you trust your son again? You don't trust me again.
I trust you.
I make sure she did not see me, Jare.
I trust you. Make sure that you are not caught. Because if you know, once you get caught, you'll be in trouble. You know.
I make sure I scared her so much.
Yeah, very good of you. He's a guy.
In fact, next time, I'm going to put it under a table. Next time, I'll put it under her desk.
Yes, I'll put it under her desk, but make sure she does not see you. Oh? Guy, you? He's a guy.
But did you see how she was running that time?
Thank you so much.
It's alright.
You're such a nice man.
Don't mention. I will talk to you later.
Are you not coming inside?
No. I have an appointment to meet someone, so I have to quickly rush to see the person.
Afam. I told you earlier that my roommate said she won't be coming home. How do you expect me to stay alone in the house, knowing fully well I just lost my father? I'll be scared though. Yeah, I'm scared.
Okay. It's alright. Okay. Let's go in. Don't worry. I will take you inside.
Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've
Welcome to my tiny place.
Tiny? Oh no, you have a lovely place. It's fine. Good place.
We're managing, oh.
How can you say you're managing this place? I mean, some people can't even afford this. You know? This is good.
So, what would you love to drink? Let me get you something.
No. You don't even bother yourself. I'm okay. I'm good.
Afam. How? You're visiting for the first time. Not to worry, let me
No. But I'm good. You don't need to stress yourself.
Havana, at least. Hey! Help me, something beats me. Put your hand inside.
Sorry. I can't put my hand inside.
Put it inside,
Don't
please.
worry, I can't.
Hey, there's nothing.
Nothing.
Check now, check.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Oh my God.
There's nothing.
Okay, Please.
There's nothing now.
Put your hand inside.
There's nothing. Sorry.
I think I should.
Sorry.
I think I'll have to flit this room.
Yeah, later you flit it.
Yes, I'll have to flit it. Afam, I don't know what beat me in the village or here. I don't know. I've been having this excruciating pain ever since. Touch it now.
Sorry.
I think there's a lump there, isn't it?
Lump? There's no lump.
There's no lump. You can't feel it.
You're putting it inside. Here?
Here.
No.
There's no lump.
No lump.
Hey,
No
I
lump.
think there's a lump here. Here. I don't know what beats me in the village. I just hope it's not cancerous.
Cancer? No.
I don't know. It's paining me.
Cancer can't do you then.
My back.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry. I think I have to go now. Yes. I have an appointment somewhere, so I must see this person.
Okay, let me see you.
Well, it's nice coming to your place. Lovely place, nice place.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
That way you define, you go see a move. Azuka na tell well for nobody fit hold am. Anyhow you want them, she dey na trouble, she go double am today.
Azuka na Hausa. See, just imagine.
Hey, what's the meaning of this?
Azuka, I paid a huge amount of money. Look at them, she needs for me. Look at it. I just fall on the ground. Boozer.
Benji, what's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Azuka, just refund me back my money. I don't need the bench again. You did rubbish for me.
You told me to do bench. I gave you price. I told you this money you are giving to me cannot do good bench. Or you say manage. This is the management bench. The money that you gave me is 1 day bench. You have taken the 1 day bench to your house. You have sat on it. It has broken. Take it back home. Biko.
Azuka, I heard that you're a troublemaker. I still brought myself here for you to make a bench for me, and I've seen it. Azuka, just give my money. Let me leave here. I don't want any trouble, Azuka.
There's no refund after payment has been made.
Azuka, did you write anywhere there's no refund here?
No.
So give my money.
Your brain, common sense is supposed to tell you. So if you don't have common sense, there's common sense in my shop on the ground. Take it, put it inside your head. Common sense is supposed to tell you that there's no payment after refund or refund after payment.
I don't want any trouble.
Okay, don't make any sense. That's what I come. Wait back. Carry this your souvenir chair. Take it to your house. You paid for 1 day chair. This is 1 day chair. Go and keep it so you can sell your children 1 day chair.
Azuka, just give me back my money. I will take 1 or 2 from your shop when I leave here.
Wait back.
Azuka, give me my money. Azuka, don't give me my money. Give me my money back. Give me my money.
Ejike. I'm giving you the chair that you paid for. 1 day chair. You are sat on it. Take it back home. Go and keep it as a souvenir for your children.
Azuka, this is rubbish. I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I'm taking this thing. Give me that. Come on, my friend. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you. Take the chair, take the bench, everything. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Don't worry. Idiot. You idiot.
fact, very bad. Me.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're good. Thank you too.
Hi. Now what for this baby?
I will be somebody. What time you should leave this bag now? I will be somebody now.
You are not going anywhere. After putting me in this condition, you want to run away? Eh? Yes, the beggar. You're not going anywhere.
You condition.
You are not going anywhere from here. I'm telling you, it won't happen. You want to run away?
Look, Nonso, running away from your responsibilities is an act of irresponsibility. You don't need to.
You're not going anywhere.
Whose side are you on? Eh? Why are you talking like this? So you want me to marry this okay that one up without anything? Without having money? Without having land or anything to boast about?
You did not know. Come and go now.
Shame on you, Nonso. Shame on you. You were collecting from two of them and hammering them. Now you want to run away. You cannot run away from your responsibilities. Both of you, hold him. Let him face his responsibilities.
Papa, he's your son. You're his father. You don't need to be saying this to him. Look, Nonso, come, let's go inside and settle this. Be a man that you are. You don't need to run away.
So I cannot even go to Merod to buy something.
Buy what?
Or even go to the city and hustle.
What do you want to
because
buy?
You are not going anywhere. Come on,
girls. Don't allow him to escape.
Papa.
I should begin to praise him.
Just leave. No, let him go.
Leave my clothes.
No.
It's not my customer. I'm not something else.
You're sleeping.
You're not going
Stop this, please. Stop it. Let's settle. Irene.
What are you doing here? Hudson, what does it look like? Chief, meet my friend and roommate, Linda, meet Chief. Hello, Chief.
Paragon of beauty. No need to ask you how you are doing because you are the goddess of beauty.
Thank you.
Please, can you join us?
Yes, she won't mind. If you want, we can give you a treat.
I want.
Ooh, la la. It will cost you, Chief.
I am Akunatakase 1. Money is not my problem.
Hey, Chief. Anyway, I've already paid for a room here, so you just do me a refund first.
No wahala, no problem. I can even pay for extra 1 month if you wish. This is Akunatakase. I love this. Hop into the car. Let's get this shit out of here. Get me my car, please.
I've missed my husband so much. Ezigbo di m na anụ m. Ọnwụ gburu Densi. Chief nwanne m. Since my husband died, I've been suffering with my children. Agụụ ga na ya. Arụ emegokwanụ m. Oya emegokwanụ m ọgbanụ ya. Hell. Okay. Chief, please. Wayoma, please. I don't know if you can assist me to start a business so I can take care of my children. Because
Obioma, I've heard you. What kind of business do you intend to start?
Sir?
I mean, what type of business? You must have something in mind.
Yes, I have.
So what business?
Okay, I want to start beer parlor business.
Beer parlor? Obioma, why beer parlor?
I want something that will give me money on daily basis. Maka, I go Azuka.
What about provision store?
Yes, Chief. Provision store, so at least I'll add it at the corner of the shop. Then my beer parlor. Provision and beer parlor. Biko, please.
It's alright. I'll give you money.
Eh?
Yes, I said I'll give you money.
Hey, Chief. Ezigbo mmadụ. God will bless you. If not for that, I won't bother such a wonderful family.
You are not bothering me, Obioma. You are not. I told you that you and your children are my responsibility. Feel free to come to this place. Ask of anything, I will give you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Obioma, I have food in the kitchen. You want to eat?
Yes, I will eat. I will eat. I will not eat it this morning. Nkiru self is at home.
Why?
There's no food at home. The little money I had on me, I gave it to Linda. She went back to school today.
Don't worry. Veronica! Vero?
She's here.
Yes, ma'am. Veronica.
Ma?
Go to the kitchen. Get food for my guests to eat.
Okay, ma.
Biko, 1 minute.
Wait, she wants to tell you something.
Yes. Biko, I don't know if it is possible. Biko, don't be offended. If it's possible, please, can she put some, even if it's in a polythene bag, so I can give to Nkiru? Since morning, Mom, she's hungry.
Oh yeah, get her food for Nkiru, then bring her food to eat.
Mama, did I not tell you that God will fight for me?
What is it?
Did I not tell you that God will fight for me?
What is it?
Ejike. I forget Ejike because I want to tell you about the Ubochi and his son. Remember that day at the meeting when he said my son is a bastard? And I told him, I say, I pray for you that your family will have a trailer load of bastards. His son impregnated 2 girls.
Yeah! It's a lie. Now, 2 girls. Hey!
Remaining his daughter.
Hey! They thought it's only my child that will have a child outside wedlock. Good for him.
That's what that's
Now, 2 girls. 2. No fear. Azuka.
Mama.
Does it mean the barber does not know how to barb or the razor is not sharp? Because Ejike met me at the road and then complained to me that you didn't do his bench well. And when he brought the bench back to you, chased him away.
He's an idiot. Did he pay me? Did he pay me? Don't worry, I'll fix it. You know, I'm still learning. More and more.
I trust you. I trust you. Yeah, a smart girl. Okay, fine.
I'll fix it.
I know your father taught you well. So just do it for him so that he doesn't have time or maybe the mind to begin to spread your name everywhere. Oh, thank you very much, my daughter. Azuka.
Honey, about Obiama.
What about her?
What do you intend doing about her request?
Well, that's what she wants to do, so we have no other option than to support her. From the look of things, her mind is almost made up, so we'll support her.
Honey, you know she's a widow.
You know too that in as much as I don't like this beer parlor thing, there is nothing we can do rather than to give her help. You see, we are just helping. Try to understand. Obiama is still a young woman.
I cried, oh. I cried. Cried and cried. Chief now felt pity for me and asked me what I want to do.
So what did you tell him, Mama?
Trust your mother. You know I have high taste. I told him that I want to open beer parlor business. And I will also put a provision store by the side. 2-in-1 business.
Mama, are you not asking for too much?
Too much, Ipa? How? Chief has money. Plenty of money. Don't you know that Chief has business all over the city? You know what? Or say much. Let me tell you. I'm expecting nothing less than 300,000 from Chief. One. 300K. Nothing less than that. Yes, now. I've already made an inquiry. Yes. Okonta said he will give me shop 1,500 every month.
Mama, for me, I think we should let them rest for a while.
Rest for a while? How? Why? Chief that killed my husband. Chief that killed my husband. If not for Chief, your father would have still been alive. It seemed give them time. Please don't give me a switch mode.
Mama, Chief has been good to us and he's still good to us.
Have I said anything wrong? He's still in the line of being good to us. Yes, now, am I asking for too much?
Mama.
Amata can be Amata. Anyway.
If you like, when you get there, go show yourself. Show myself, okay? Hey, that for me is different too.
He is different. He is a perfect gentleman.
This one is boyfriend material.
The others are side attraction.
Bunch of nothing. Ends to a means.
This one, not to the end though. If possible, to the altar.
For you. You know, I took your advice. No more boyfriend Matao. Strictly street for now. Are you just knowing? They make pants, they wear you. I beg, I don't they go. How do I look? Good. Beautiful. Make I go. As I dress, good girl. I'll be good girl now. Later. Okay, see you.
Papa, there is something I want us to talk about.
Good evening.
Sorry, Papa, good evening. It is very important.
First time in your life since you were born, you have something very important to discuss with me. I think I am happy. I am all ears.
Papa, next month I'll be 35.
Mba, 36. Yes, 36.
Whatever. Papa, I want to know at 36, what is your plan for me? For your son? Do you want me to be useless? sorry that I have not done what you wanted me to do all this while. Papa, you see now that I have wives, I want to be responsible.
Hi. I think I am happy that you are now reasoning like a young man who wants to be useful in his life. But the only problem now is that Iroko tree, which I thought I would sell and give you the proceeds so you will start your life with. We have lost it to that Agafu girl.
Papa, what about lands? We have land. Why not save a piece of land and give your son money for him to go and make it? Eh? How can I face my responsibility without a land? Without anything? Now, very soon they will put to bed. How am I going to survive it?
Now, so, for your information, there is no land anymore. I sold all of them, thinking that the Iroko tree is still there for me to sell and give you the proceed.
Papa, you see, you have sold all our lands. You sold all our lands without reserving anyone for your son, Papa. Hey! And you want me to be responsible? You want me to face my responsibility? Hey, Papa? You want me to face my responsibility without a land? No land, no Iroko tree. How can I face it? Papa? Papa? You see this thing? I will kill myself. In fact, I will not kill myself. Papa, you see this house? I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell it. Let all of us go outside and stand up. Everybody will stand outside. I will sell this house. This is already land. I will sell it. Let's stand outside. Everybody can you know. How can I spend my life without a land, without Iroko tree? You sold everything, and you are now telling me to be responsible. You don't mind about the okay. Papa, either I kill myself or I sell this place. Oh no, I cannot put one.
So you have been thinking of land. You and your wives and children will go outside. Oh, so you are hoping on my land and this house.
Nem, please manage outside here for me, oh. My parlor is a mess. We don't have chairs. Yes, my husband was planning to get a carpenter to do a new furniture for us. Man, if we're going to go see before he's untimely. Oh, Azuka. Man, his wish was to get us new set of furniture, so the husband of my youth.
Well, that won't be a problem, Obioma, eh? I'll get an first.
Chief Biggie, what did you just say?
I said I'm going to get a furniture maker to get you a brand new set of chairs, eh? So that you won't miss your husband so much.
My husband's wish. Thank your husband for me. Chief.
Okay, and my husband and I brought this for you. This is 500,000. Use it to start the business you want to start, and please use it wisely.
500,000. Do not, Chief. Chief. Hey! Chief! Chief, God bless you. God bless you, Chief.
Odesi was a very good man.
The God of widows will bless you. Amen. Chief, one name. Ini Edo ngozi ngozi. Irugi, Azuki, ngozi ngozi. Onyoma. God bless you all. Ezigbo nwanyi. Oh! Nekwa ni manya ka mbia kwa gangaga.
tasty.
Good. No. Let me by yourself.
I've told you everything you need to know about myself. I do not know what else you want me to say.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No! No, not at all. No boyfriend. Yeah. So, tell me more about you.
I have a friend. Yeah. She's my best friend. You'll get to see her anytime soon.
Oh yes, you told me sometime. I remember.
Oh.
Hello. Do you remember me?
Have we met before?
Have we met before? Are you not the girl the other day at the hotel that I gave money and yet you did not?
Excuse me? You gave whom money? A hotel? Can you imagine this, baby? Like, are you trying to sell me a prostitute?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. This is so embarrassing.
She sounds as if she knows you.
I do not know him. I don't know what he's talking about. Me, hotel. I mean, do I look like some prostitute or what?
Waiter!
There are too many light-skinned girls here.
Don't worry.
Waiter!
Eat your
So
food.
embarrassing. I mean, he said he picked me up in a hotel. I said,
who is there?
Me.
Azuka! Azuka, come out! Before you destroy my future, I'm going to destroy you first. Come outside!
Who is shouting there? And then who are you shouting? Eh? What's the problem? Eh? Your future, your future. Which future? The future that you have or the one you don't have?
Azuka, I have come to warn you. And I have come to inform you that that Iroko tree you caught, you are going to pay me for that. You are going to pay me for that because that's my inheritance.
My father's Iroko tree that I caught. I'll pay you for it because it's your inheritance. You were a mad person. You're very mad. Yes. Fine boy, no money. Woman rapper. Yeah, weba.
Me? You see that tree that you caught? If you refuse to pay me for that tree, Azuka, what I will do to you? You see that tree? Everything I have planned to become is on that tree. So you are going to pay me for that. If not, what we are going to do in this village, Azuka?
Yeah, baby, I'm okay. You very, very fool.
Watch him.
Father! You idiot! You idiot! You are looking for your father's inheritance or your father's property. It's my father's property you want to collect. Do you see me running after your own father's property? You idiot! You idiot!
Obioma, how are you?
I'm fine, Chief.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see Ichio Kaka. My late husband borrowed some money from him and gave him the only land we had as collateral. Now he's threatening to take away that piece of land. That's the only land I farm on. So I had no choice than to take that 500,000 naira you gave me, and I took it to him.
So you've offset the debt?
Eh?
I mean, you've cleared the debt?
Yes, I've cleared it. It's just that there's no longer hope for my business. There's no other...
Anyway.
The business...
Come into the car. We'll talk about it later.
Chief, you have done enough already. You have done enough already. But I'm wondering if you can give me some money to prepare a good pot of soup. The same way your wife prepares. But you can come and eat if you wish to. I'm around more than possible.
This is 6,000. Make sure you and your daughter feed well. I shall be quick.
₦6,000. Eh? What will I use it to prepare? Eh? Or is it stockfish or is it meat? No, now. What will I cook with 6,000 naira? When your wife uses 15,000 naira to cook soup? Eh? No, now. Check here now. Oh my God. This is insult. Eh? You can't 6,000 naira. I don't blame him.
This is where I live.
Your house is beautiful and big for just one person.
Well, I used to stay here with my parents before they retired to the village. So I stay here alone. Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
So tell me, how do you cope all by yourself?
Well, I cope. I do cope as well.
I think I'm falling in love with you.
Linda, you're a likable person. You are. No, not yet.
Come on, Naham. We are adults.
I know, but I don't want to take the advantage of you.
Who says you're taking advantage of me? Unless you don't love me.
You know that I love you. I want to be able to prove my love to you.
To hell with your proof. I do not need any proof from you. Just love me, please.
No, Linda.
Please.
See, you need to hold yourself. Calm down. When the right time comes, both of us will enjoy it. See, let's make this simple as ABC. You're a likable person, but let's just give this a time.
These are the things I bought you.
Here. Oh. Oh. This is much. Irene, where did you get money to buy all this? Huh?
Mama, you ask too much questions. Remember I told you the new hotel I'm working at now? A customer forgot his bag. And the bag is filled with money. So I kept it for him. When he came back and asked for it, I gave it to him. And in appreciation, he gave me plenty money. So that is what I use in buying.
Inukwa. Hey!
People forget money.
Sister. Sister, you need to open an account so you save me the stress of coming back here and I want to give you that stuff.
You're right. Irene is correct.
I hope.
Hello. Azuka. So that when she brings money, you keep it.
Hey, Mama, I bought you this month. I know you like it so much.
But, okay.
I bought you the latest furniture catalog. You will love the new design.
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's the one.
Yes. Thank you very much.
I can't just let you go about this issue without us thrashing it out. See, I'm trying to see how far this will work out between both of us. Sex will come. Eventually, not now.
Afam, we are adults. We are adults, for crying out loud.
I know, but I need to be sure of what I'm doing. I need to be sure of who I'm getting married to.
It's fine. It's fine. You're right. We're still getting to know ourselves.
Thank you.
Mama, we can't let this opportunity pass us by. Yes, now. You and I know that if I marry Aham, all our problems will be solved. Persuade Chief, put fire so that his son can propose. Trap him with pregnancy, Ke. Someone who hasn't even as much as touched me with a stick. How am I going to do that? He's been turning down all my advances. You have to do something, oh. You have to do something. Put more fire. Put fire. Hey. We don't have any much time, oh. Okay, oh. I'll keep trying. But from your end too, put fire. Yeah. Okay, oh. I don't even know if he's a man. Say my regards to Nkiru. Okay, Mama. I've run out of tricks. I have run out of tricks.
No, so you have to be strong. You have to be very, very strong, like a man you are. Eh? And I have this confidence in me that one day you will make it. You will make it big.
Would you make it in Apple? Make it how? Eh?
I don't know, but you
how will I make it without anything? Somebody can make it without nothing. Eh?
I warned you then, oh. I warned you when you were doing all these things. Now look at it. You see?
You're thinking, always thinking.
Nonso, I need some money.
Ijoma, you need some money for what? What do you need some money for? Look, let me tell you, I will not tolerate you frustrating my brother. It's not possible. I will not take it to. I've just told you.
Ujungwa, I don't understand. I have my personal needs.
I don't care.
I need some money.
If you like, have your public need. I don't have money. Yes.
Now, so you give me money. I need some money. I have to take care of myself.
No, sir. You both have to go with me right now. Your father is dead.
Huh?
Yes.
Wait, how?
It is your father that is dead. Your father is dead.
Your father is dead.
I know you're doing all this for us because you want us to be happy. But how can I be happy when I feel we are burden to your good family?
My husband had always wanted our daughter Linda to get married and settle down. Oh well, he did not live to see that wish come to pass.
Okay.
Oh, do you know that he was already making plans on ground as the kind of marriage he wants for his favorite daughter, Linda?
Obioma is okay. When the time is right, she will be happily married. We don't want to force Afam into it.
Yes, you're right. My husband had always wanted her to...
Obioma, I'll talk to my son, Afam, to hasten the marriage proposals with your daughter. Myself, I need grandchildren.
Hey, Chief, please. I hope I've not done anything wrong.
Don't mind her. Sometimes she's like that.
Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
God bless you, sir.
That's all right. That's all right.
Chief, please. I don't know, because of this fuel scarcity. I don't know how much Okada will charge. Because don't be offended, though. Because how, if it's possible, sir. I'm begging, sir.
Okay, your transport.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is this girl?
Veronica.
Veronica!
Babe, you never dress.
Babe, I'm not getting strength for tonight's hustling. I'm feeling sick.
Another belly don't enter.
You dey crazy. I mean, get out of here.
Anyway, I dey come. I dey come.
Chai, you don't see? I didn't know that this Azuka is this wicked, very wicked woman.
Nayono, your brother's daughter have seen what she has caused herself. Why would she go to that extent of killing Oboch? No, no, I like it like that. I like it like that. By the time she rots in jail, then I will have time to claim that belongs to me. Yes, that workshop is mine. Nayono, but you and I know that she is fighting for her right. It belongs to her. Mejonu before I break your head. Belongs to what? That workshop belongs to me.
That workshop belongs to her father. It's just because I left her. Look, get her from here. Rubbish.
No.
I don't understand you anymore.
Jude, I don't know what you want me to say. I know they do again. I don't want to do again. I'll soon become someone's wife.
But you're not yet a wife. Baby, please, please. Let me spoil you this time. Let's hang out tonight.
You and who? Lele. You and who? I beg my friend, go nyash down. Hope you say they even give person better money. Eh? All this your chicken change, 10,000, 20,000.
Okay. I'll give you 200,000 naira this night.
Jude, I don't hear you well. Talk am again.
You heard me right.
200,000.
Yes.
Hey, Jude, you like say you don't hammer. Jude, you for tell me say you don't hammer. Oh. Hey, yeah. Make I go get my bag. Eh?
Do that. Mugu, you go hear her tonight.
Barrister Paul, please help me. Yes, I'm ready to give it to you. Any style you want. Yes, she didn't kill him. He was found dead in the shop. Okay, thank you. What is it? Babe, it's my sister. She was accused of killing one man. The man was found dead in her workshop. Just because they were having little issue, she was accused of killing him. Police people now came and arrested her. I've called Barrister Paul. I have to rush to the village and give it to him anyhow he wants, so he can help me bail my sister.
There is nothing to worry about, Hell. Because there is no case. There is no evidence against her. Yes. I beg, cheer up. That's one aside, Godi, no. Hey! Guess what? It be like say, Jude don't hammer. Jude now. Hey! Jude says he will give me 200,000 naira. I'm telling you. Hey! I'm going with him.
Babe, just wait. It's very risky. You know Afam is in this town. Don't spoil your chance of marrying him.
Baby, you a cute joy now. Why you want on my spirit? Why you want kill this joy, eh? Just this last one. 200,000 naira. 200,000 naira is involved. See judo from 10,000 to 20,000 to 200,000 naira. Hey, I beg God, just this one, this last one. For this economy, I need this money. Or they come.
It's very risky. You no go hook you this time.
Did you know that I'm here? I wanted to take you unawares.
Hey! I'm just too much.
Linda, what is it? I'm here waiting for you. This same guy again? Who is this guy?
Baby, ask me. Ask me, oh. Baby, ask me. I don't know this guy. He's been pestering my life. I have told him I don't want to be your girlfriend. Am I the only fine girl in this country? Eh?
Hey, my guy, listen to me. She doesn't want you. Leave her alone. Leave her life alone. I want you to stay clear from her. Understand? Oh, I see. Sorry, guy. But if you know the ground you are digging. Anyway, it's your turn.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. Idiot.
Baby, what's the meaning of that?
I don't understand though. See me, oh. Eh? Let's leave this guy because he wants to cause problems between us. Idiot. I don't know who sent him. He should be one of those gatesmen, I be guards somewhere. I don't know. He's always standing here like a bird. Let's go.
This woman is putting pressure on us. Now you have to go force our son to propose to a lady when he is not ready.
woman, you worry a lot. Were you not the one who was worried before? If our son will agree to marry her. Now he has accepted. What is he on? Allow them be. If he want to please his father, so be it. The girl is pretty. She's from a good home. She has good training. Please, I don't want this poor widow to be crying over upon my head every night. Whatever she wants, we'll give them, so far we can afford it.
Nobody is talking about being pretty here. We are talking about the happiness of our son. And our son is yet to know this lady.
I think we should stop worrying yourself. Sister will come back tomorrow. Barrister Paul is on the matter. I took him to the place. Please, don't worry, she will come back.
And if she don't come back, I will not go to school today. I will go to the police station and fight.
Irene, you know my daughter did not kill Mazi. Mazi went to that shop to kill himself.
That man is evil. She knew that if he died there, sister would be in trouble. But his plans have failed. God will punish him even in death. Just because of common Iroko tree. Obi, I will stop crying, yeah? Your mommy will be fine.
Leave me alone.
It's beautiful.
You promised to make me the happiest man.
I promise. I promise to love and cherish you forever. This means a lot to me.
Oh, my friend is taken. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. You can see that again. It's pretty.
Wow. Soon you'll be off the market.
Soon. Hey, my sister, I am off the market.
You can say that again.
Hey.
Wow.
My dear, in all honesty, my father's death brought me luck. Telling you.
Are you trying to say you're happy that your dad is late?
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. Where is my roommate?
She called. She said her illness is getting serious and her mom didn't let her go. But I'll see her tomorrow.
Poor her. I would have loved to go with you, but I have a date with my man.
Oh yeah? Let me see this ring again. Like, wow. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
My dear, thank you.
Azuka na tela we fe bereki. Nobody fit hold am. Anyhow you want them, she dey. If na trouble, she go double am. Today, when you see the double, make you no run.
Azuka, that's how she has been. Oh, she came back from school. Like this, thank God you are out.
No problem. I am back now. Mama told me how you work hard for my babe. Do not worry. Do not worry. Where's Obiani?
He has gone to school.
I'm going to my shop.
Which shop?
My shop.
You're just coming back. You have not prepared. You have not taken anything. Don't you want to?
Yes, Mama, I'm going to my shop to remove that nonsense that they put there.
Go inside.
Mama, I'm going to my shop.
Which shop? Go inside.
I'm going to remove that thing they put in my shop. Why is the problem? The useless man, if he wants to die, why has he decided to die inside my shop? Am I the one that said his son should go about impregnating girls and putting them in the family way? It is me that is going to kill them. I'm going to my shop to remove that nonsense. Go, I'm going.
But be careful, oh. Don't let him touch you. Scatter him.
So your girlfriend, your roommate, has been in the village?
Yes. They decided to treat her the native way.
You know, some native medicine is more effective to some ailment.
True. I hope and pray she gets better before our wedding. I cannot afford her absence. I need her to take care of things.
She'll be fine.
Amen. I pray. Baby, I want expensive ashwebis for my girls, my mom, and the members of our club.
But I've told you that I don't want expensive wedding. I've said it.
Baby, wedding is a once in a lifetime. Besides, I'm a woman. I want a classy wedding.
You want a classy wedding. See, Ashebi meeting, they do have their uniform. Your mom's people should come with their uniform. Understand? Not that I don't have the money, not because of the money, but because I just don't want to spend unnecessarily.
Baby, please don't even go there. Their uniforms are all worn out and local. Oh, I do not want them wearing their uniforms to my wedding. Please, baby, just do something, please.
It's alright, I will think about it. But how much are we looking at here?
There's this one I saw on Instagram. It's this one. It's 100,000 naira per person, and I have about 5 persons. This one, the members of my mom. I chose this for them, and this one is 400,000 naira. That's for one person. And they're about Auntie Fiona, Auntie Choma. Harry, sit up and take your daughter. Try. Gently. What kind of sickness is this? Huh?
Mama, let us take her to the hospital and run some tests. You have given her malaria medicine. You have given her typhoid medicine. You have given her Piclos for boil. You have given her vitamin C. She's not getting better. Let's run some tests so that we know what we are treating.
You are right. I don't know what kind of sickness is this one, no. I don't know.
Mama, Azuka, she'll be fine. Let's take her to the hospital so we know what is wrong. Eh?
Sorry. Let's go and run some tests.
Honey, we don't need to throw money around unnecessarily. We don't need all those flashy things. No. For me, I did prefer a very simple wedding.
I see with you. That's why let's wait for Bioma to come so we can put our heads together and plan a very simple but nice wedding for our kids.
But you know your son, he doesn't have patience for all those things.
Just like me too. I don't have patience for this extravagant wedding. We can wait for the things to be.
Biko. I'm sorry, please. Biko, Chief. Good afternoon, sir. Biko.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I want to take care of other things for the wedding. Biko.
It's a wedding.
Veronica!
Yes, ma'am. Welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Veronica, go and get her a seat. Be fast about it.
Odoma, we're actually waiting for you so that we can put heads together and then plan on how to give our children a simple but nice wedding.
Yes. Yes, Chief.
From this side, we have perfected our arrangements. I don't know from your side, apart from foods, drinks, and few other things, what else would you need?
I need clothes and handbags.
Yes.
For me and my daughter Nkiru.
That's all right.
Yes. But Chief, most importantly, I need ashwebi for my club women. A special ashwebi for them. What is very important, Biko.
Obioma, that ashwebi isn't necessary. I believe your club has their own uniform. I belong to a club. We have our uniform and we are wearing it on that day. This wedding we are talking about is just for a day.
My wife is correct. I think this ashwebi thing, we'll put it on hold. Let's talk about other things.
What do you think you are doing? Eh? Why are you removing the barricade?
Uncle, I am removing the barricade from my shop. I'm removing the barricade from my shop.
You've removed them, eh?
Yes.
You've removed them.
I removed it.
You see, because you have a big loyal friend. So, look, you are not free, oh.
Okay.
You are not free.
Uncle, we will die here. If anybody comes to my shop again, I will kill that person. I will not let go of my shop for anybody. This is my father's shop. I will not live here.
You will hear from the elders.
I'm waiting.
You will hear from the elders.
I'm waiting.
This shop belongs to me.
It belongs to me.
You will see Azuka.
You are not my father.
You are a wicked woman.
My father is not your father. It's not your shop.
Okay.
I'm waiting, Uncle. Go and call the elders. I'm waiting.
Make you no run, no. Azuka, no. Very hot, no. Biggie one.
Just because I'm a poor widow, just because I have no one to help me, Udensi, you left when we needed you most. I have no one to help me. I'm lonely.
Obioma, please stop. It hurts to see you cry and pouring out all these lamentations. It's not necessary now, please.
Obi, biko no zone bezina. Stop crying.
Can I stop? Just look at me. I have no one but God. Zozo Chuku can wear. I have nobody but God. Hi, Jim. Hi.
Obioma.
Sir?
Is it because of this ashwebi thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's all right. I'll provide you money for it. I said I'm going to give you money for it.
Hey, Chief. Is well mad. God bless you. May the God of widows bless you. Chief, Opoponam Bataye Abongozi. All shall fall for you in pleasant places. God bless you, sir.
I think you need to go home now and relax and plan out other things so that we'll continue with our arrangements.
But, Chief, when? The wedding is already at the corner. Can we meet here up?
Do I send my driver to you to get you the money or you come? Anyone?
Okay. Whichever way, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chief, I don't know. Honestly, I actually wasted time because I had to trek from my house.
Yes, I'm not know if it's possible, Biko, no matter how small. One kid had to change Biko, so I can enter Okada back to my house. I'm with Rika.
For your transport?
Yes. Then in a situation like this, I'll miss my husband.
Obiam, it's alright, it's alright. It's for your transport fare.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you. Call this girl to get me my wallet.
Veronica!
Veronica! So how is Irene feeling now?
Yes, she's getting better. Getting better.
And our friend Linda, her wedding, I brought the Ashwebi, so she won't be able to attend.
To think she told me about this, your friend Linda's wedding, sis. Hey. She cannot attend it though. She's not strong enough to attend.
It's well, but you can come for her, at least represent her. You know why? Our friend Linda's husband promised to give all the Ashwebi girls 20,000 naira each. Just for attending, yes.
I don't know them.
And don't worry, it will be a long way for her treatment.
Thank you. Let me greet Linda and her husband.
I will.
I'll be there.
Please do take care of her. Where is Mama?
That's fine.
Thank you. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright then.
Thanks.
It's alright. What is this called? When did it start?
It started 2 days ago. But it's getting worse by the day.
Sorry. Easy. You need water, sorry. So tell me. So, what are you expecting tonight? After wedding gifts.
I hope there will be wedding gifts.
Why do you say so?
Because the man I'm getting married to lacks emotions.
How do you know?
Before now, I have tried severally to have him make love to me. But he keeps turning me down. Yes, he turns me down.
Why?
I don't know. He says after the wedding. I hope so. I hope he keeps to his promise.
Can't wait to see what down the act. I know you'll be so excited. How do you feel?
You know, today's supposed to be the happiest day of my life, but I'm not feeling it. All this is my father's idea.
I understand, but you have to stay positive. Today is your day. Man, today is your day. You need to stay positive and remain positive.
Good.
I'm going to go there. Gerald, huh?
I am set. Yeah.
That's good.
college. Afam. Technical college, Azuka. It's me.
Azuka. Is that you?
Afam.
Azuka.
I'm the one. It's me. It's Azuka.
Jesus.
Afam.
Azuka.
The technical college, it's me.
Where have you been?
Technical college.
This is insane. You cannot cancel a wedding on your wedding morning. Everyone, including your parents, even the priest, and the church voting for you.
I don't care. I am not in for this wedding anymore. Can't you see that fate brought us back again? Can't you see? See, I love Azuka. Azuka happens to be my first love. I've missed her before, but not anymore. I will not miss her second time.
Afam, I understand. I understand you well. But in this one, count me out. I am not in support of you. Oh, your dad is calling. What do I tell him?
Tell him whatever you want.
Hello, sir. We are coming, sir.
How could you? I mean, why did you bring in that piece of trash to my wedding? Why did you bring her here to spoil my day? Why?
I'm sorry. I didn't know she and Afam know each other.
You're sorry. You're sorry. What did I ever do to you? No, tell me, what did I ever do to you? Now Aham isn't ready to go on with the wedding anymore.
He will come back to his senses. I'll go talk with him.
Pray he does. Pray he does, because if anything goes wrong, I will not ever forgive you. Where's my phone? Don't talk to me. Mama. Mama, come to the hotel, please. Just come to the hotel. I don't know.
I've been looking for you. And I will let you go.
Afam. Hi. Afam. I don't know what to say. Will it be wrong if I say I'm not happy to see you, or I'm happy to see you?
I am happy to see you. It has been long. See, Azuka, I still love you.
Please, let's not go there. Please. I do not want any trouble. You are getting married to somebody else today. She does not deserve this. At least not today. I don't want to hear it. Please, because...
Azuka, you don't even understand. I have been pleading to God, begging God to bring you back to me. And he answered my prayers. I won't let you go.
No, you have to let me go. And don't come again for me. I don't want to be part of this. I don't want any problems. Please.
Azuka.
No.
Please, Afam, don't cancel this wedding with Linda. I beg you with everything I hold dear to me. Don't do this. My friend is already blaming it on me. She thinks I'm the cause. I was the one that invited Azuka.
You invited Azuka to the wedding?
Yes, I went to the village. I invited Irene. She couldn't come because she's ill. So she asked Azuka to replace her. No. Afam, forget about Azuka. She's gone. Please.
Please, Afam. Don't do this.
Of what use? Of what use? Of what use? This marriage will not hold.
Afam, please. Don't do this.
Chidi, please. Azuka has awoken every feelings I buried when I lost her. See, I love her. I love her so much with all my heart. She's the only woman that understands me. See, I love her with all my heart. Is it a crime for me to fall in love? Is it a crime for me to go for what my heart decides? Please, I want you both to help me find love again.
Afam, you're my friend, and you deserve the best. I think we have to...
I'll take you to her. Yes.
You will take me to her?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It is not your fault. How would you have known that the person getting married now is the same person you fell in love with in technical school?
I don't know. Ma'am, I do not know. Eh?
Stop worrying. Oh? Stop worrying. You have not done anything wrong. Mbali. And you did the right thing by coming home here first. Azuka, go and change your clothes and forget it.
I will not, son. I will not, after many years of hard work, allow you drag our family's reputation to the mud.
Father, I will not go back from my words. If you like, disown me. You see, Linda, I will not marry Linda. I have never loved her for one day, and I will not.
Chief, calm down. Afa might be right. Have you ever considered maybe our son does not love this girl in question?
It does not matter. And I repeat, it does not matter. Your opinion does not hold water. Henceforth, not now, and not anymore.
Oh, okay. My opinion does not hold water, right? Okay. And I have said my own, and my own is final. I will not marry that girl, and nothing on this earth will make me to marry her.
I bet you will get it. No.
Mama, how am I supposed to introduce her farm to Obiago now? Better still, how am I supposed to tell Obiago about her farm? Eh? I don't know. I don't understand what I want to do there.
Azuka, this could be how God wants this boy to meet his father.
Hey, but he should have married that girl by now. If I hadn't gone there, he would have been married to that girl by now. I don't want any trouble. Yes, I want Obiago to meet his father, but I don't want any confusion. And I'm pitying for the girl. I want to raise my son myself without any problem, because I will not give Obiago to him alone to take and go. Huh.
What? Everything is in the hands of God. There's nothing you can do about it. Oh?
Whoever that girl is, I must kill her. I cannot allow her to take food away from my mouth. I'm Ujomonte. Hey? Or Nandok on even. Am I dreaming?
Mama, you have to do something. You have to do something, and very fast.
I will.
You have to do something, please. Please.
No, trust me.
Do something, oh hey.
Trust me, I'm your mother. I must kill that girl. Why? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Why? I promise you, for that girl, I must get rid of her. Trust me on this. Only. Pico. Why? Easy.
I did not know how to find you. I didn't know what to do. All I heard was that you left technical school and traveled abroad. I don't know how to start. I don't want to remember.
It's okay. I promise you that it will not repeat itself again. See, this time, I will not leave you. I will not. I will not die than to leave you. See, you mean so much to me. Let me tell you something. I want to marry you. Yes. Good evening, Dad. Good evening, Mom.
Young man, come back here. I said, come back here. This is the first time you are disobeying my orders. Why?
I have a son, Dad. Azuka has 9-year-old boy.
What are you talking about?
I went to check Azuka in her village, only for me to find out that she had a boy for me. Dad, you're a father. You know what it feels for your own flesh and blood.
Afam, you can go now. Give your father something.
Afam, I am not happy. What you are saying now is not my problem. If you want to have a relationship with your son, we'll talk about it. Right now, my problem is my sister that is sick. I don't want her to die.
Your sister will not die. She'll be fine. Leave it for me. See, I will not take only my son, but I'm here to take both of you.
What about the lady?
She's okay. We will settle her. See, it was just a promise my father gave to her father. I don't even feel it. At all. I haven't even seen her as a woman. It was God that even saved me.
I don't want any trouble. I don't want anybody fighting me and threatening my life. Just take your son and let me be. Please.
It's like we're saying the same thing. Nobody will fight you. I want both of us to... I want all of us to be one family. See, whatever it will take to take care of you. I'm capable of it. Please.
My family have gone through a lot of pain as a result of what your son did. All this while, he just wanted to use my daughter and dump her. Afam, you will never get away with this.
Obioma, don't threaten my son in my own house. And let me warn you, my family owe your family nothing. We've had enough of your emotional blackmail.
After killing my husband, Udensi, my husband died for your husband. And this is what you have to say. Chief, after all the promises you made on his dying bed.
I think I've had enough of all this blackmail. Obioma, I've decided to compensate your family with a sum of 2 million naira.
Chief, you tried. Manabiko, please. We're talking about human being here. Come up. What is very important? Come up.
I said 2 million, and that's all I will give you.
It's okay.
After all, our children have the right to love and to be loved. Our duty as parents is to allow them choose their own happiness. Afam, you have the right to choose who you want to marry.
Thank you, Father.
You have my support.
Thank you, Father.
Go and bring my daughter-in-law and my grandchild.
Yes, so Afam, go and bring my daughter-in-law and my grandchild. I can't wait to hold my grandchild. Bioma, you can go now. The money will get to you later.
Okay, Chief said 2 million.
You heard what she said? It will get to you soon.
Later.
Sorry, please. Oh, when exactly? Soon is soon the generalized. Chief, please. If Gunam as a widow, you know here is a big man area. I don't know if I can even get Okada because I may want money for drop.
Obioma, I said you can go now. There is no money for taxi or drop.
Okay. Very far distance. I don't. Is today public holiday? Am I asking you? Oh my God, I don't know. Or bank, if they are open today.
Please go and get my daughter-in-law and grandchild.
No, so I have forgiven you. I don't have anything against you. Oh, there's no problem at all. Biko.
Thank you. Azuka, thank you so much. Obiago, thank you. You see how life is. Look at me. 2 wives. I don't know again. Please, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Anyways, I'll also be leaving back to my husband's house. So I'm going to be leaving my shop, my workshop. I'm handing it over to you.
Huh?
It is very lucrative. All you have to do is work very hard. And you will not suffer.
Hey! Who am I? Who am I? I will turn to carpenter. Don't worry, I will take care of it. You see that workshop? I will take care of it. Yes. Even the remaining of the Iroko tree.
Yes. Work hard, like my mom.
I will work hard. More than your mommy.
Thank you.
God will bless you more than you expect. Hey! Who am I? Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hey!
Mommy, I am happy that my father is rich. I'm going to enjoy in his house.
Yes. Yes. You enjoy.
Who is that? Ha! Azuka, do you want me to kill you? Eh? No, answer me, do you want me to kill you?
Uncle, what is the problem? What is the problem again?
You're asking me? You're asking me what the problem is? You mean you have the mind to give my workshop to somebody who is not from our family? Eh? It will never happen.
Uncle,
it will not.
It is not your workshop. It is my father's workshop. My own workshop. Nonso's father died inside that shop. So I gave it to him. Me, as you can see, I'm packing to my husband's house. So if you have a problem, go there and fight it out. You can kill yourselves for all I care.
Uncle, if you look for our trouble again, my dad is going to call police for you.
My son, there's no police in this matter. Eh? No police. Azuka, why now?
Uncle, you can be humble like this.
My voice is fine. It's nice sometimes. You know, Azuka, you know now. Yeah, I mean, how can you do that to me? Okay, just think now. By the time you go to your husband's place, who will take care of your mommy and your father's land? Is it not me?
I didn't know that you have this kind of voice, so. I don't know.
My voice is very sweet.
And it's quiet, very quiet voice. You see, I'm already very angry. You see, in this life, when you want to collect something from somebody, you have to be polite. Talk to the person like a human being.
That's true.
Okay, for peace. Peace is very easy to achieve.
Very easy. Just very good though.
The problem we human beings have is ego. Okay, so because I've been very angry with you, because your voice has been too loud and your mouth has been too sharp, you and the right cheek, Uncle that does not have any hair on his head, and always coming with the red cap. So you have to apologize to me.
Azuka, you know now, you are my daughter. I think you know you are my daughter. And I'm an elder too. It's not as if I cannot apologize, so because even me, I'm tired of this quarrel.
Me too, I'm not tired, but I apologize to me.
My son, as you are going, so be a good boy. So go to your father's house. Be a good boy.
Uncle, you can be humble like this.
So finally you are leaving.
Yes, I am leaving. You can stay as long as you want.
What is happening? Ada? I better keep back, Benji.
I am leaving. I don't want to marry again.
You are leaving? I don't understand. You are leaving as in honor?
When the baby is born, you can come and get him or her.
So I can now comfortably sing Imama Imena Eze Jesus Ebi Mere Kadama Wena Imam. Hey! It's good! It's good!
My baby. So, how did your meeting with Azuka go?
This is not where we are doing the meeting. We have done the meeting and it went well. May God be praised.
I'm so happy.
Yes, we have made it. Huh?
You can go.
She let her go.
Hey! HIV. How did you manage to get it? What kind of life were you living? Help! Am I going to stop crying? I will not die. Even if I die,
My happiness is Azuka and her son now have their lives to live. Mama, you all will not suffer again. Mama, when all hopes were lost, I didn't have to finish my school. The only option I had was become a call girl.
Call girl? Which one is call girl? Do you make calls?
No, Mama. Mama, you will not understand. But now I regret my life. Now I know I chose the wrong hustle to make money. Mama, please pray for me. At least I know Azuka and her son will not suffer. Mama, now I know I chose the wrong way to hustle. I just pray Azuka will not forget me.
Baby, you have that close. You have that close. I don't want you to die. I don't want you to die. I don't want you
to die. Listen to me. I will not die. I have my drugs. As long as I'm taking them, I will not die. Yeah, I will not die. Mama, we have to call Azuka to alert Afam to know if he had anything unprotected with Linda, because Linda has HIV too. Linda, if I lose my phone, so I'll call her.
Linda. Linda is what? HIV positive. Jesus. Calm down, calm down. See, nothing will happen to your sister. Just calm down. Okay, I'm coming there right away. Huh? Wait for me there, I'm coming. Mmiri akama aka egwu.
Yes, my dad is very rich and I'm going to tell everybody in Abattoir school.
My son, which one is Abattoir?
It's a school in our village.
Don't worry, eh? You are now in your granddad's house, your daddy's house, right? So I'm going to put you in Royal Court Academy, where royalties are made.
Wow!
You're welcome, son.
Oh, my
Yeah,
joy
take
is
high
complete.
five.
Oh, okay, come and give me my own. Hey, this boy. Wait!
Wait.
That's good.
Let me show you what I used to do in my school.
I search round and round looking for you. You were nowhere to be found.
Spider-Man! Oh, you're a Spider-Man! You're Spider-Man! That's great! I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. That's good.
You're welcome. Stay in my heart, stay in my life. Now that I've found you, I will never let you go. Stay